Back on my bully.
What's up, YouTube crew? Prisoner Hobbs isn't wearing the do-rag today. He's wearing the he's wearing. Is that a Bulls? That is the Bulls.
Yeah, I got my
he's
bully on today, bro.
Franchise.
My bully and my Afghanistan hoodie on.
Actually, do you have a Bears hoodie by any chance? Or not Bears hoodie, but a Bears Scully by any chance? Mm-hmm. You need to go get that. Go take off the Bull because the Bulls ain't here. The Bears are in town. I'm gonna need you to go ahead and get something different, please. Go.
No. When everybody's a Bear, I'm always a Bull, baby. I'm gonna find a way to get long, baby.
Okay, Michael Jordan. Anyway, what's going on, everybody? Hopefully your CPI has been a green one because the market is red. But maybe you decided to short the market. I did not short this market because I don't trade the news, and I don't think anybody in the Discord shorted the market either, unfortunately. So
I actually been long in the market all night.
Well, there you go. See, but hopefully everybody's having a great morning. Hopefully y'all had a great night. So let's go ahead and let's get into pre-market plans because I got one for ES, although I'm not sure how well it's gonna work out. Because
I didn't even make one. CPI and PPI days. I just leave it alone. I was like, this is pointless. There's no point in doing this.
I wanted to be a little structured. So basically, it was pretty easy because it was pretty much just taking away zones and add in these supply zones. So we got a supply zone up here. We got a 2-hour at 50.32, and we got a 30-minute at 50.60. We had a nice sell-off yesterday, nice sell-off overnight, which is funny because Hobbs was long in the market.
No, I'm kidding. I longed it a couple of times, but I was short the majority of the time.
Oh, okay, gotcha. And then we got another hour zone. It looks like that we can now mark, even though I knew this was going to be okay. We got another hour zone over here that CPI just created. So I'll go ahead and mark this. I love it. I love it when CPI creates a nice zone because we'll probably go back up and retest that zone at some point, and we'll probably reject. But yeah, the selling is getting crazier and crazier by the second. Right now, my plan currently, which is about to change here in about a few minutes, it was the long down here. There it is.
When I was like,
that's gone. Well, I was planning to long the market down here if we found buyers. We didn't find no buyers, so that plan's off. And then this 30-minute zone now is in play. But I would much rather short the market, but we'll see what happens. I need to see the market come back up first. I would honestly love for the market to come back up to this like 5,000 level. If you can see over here, we touched the market, or we touched this level a lot of times before eventually bouncing off of it. So at some point, I think the market will want to come back and retest this level. But right now, it seems like it doesn't care. It wants to keep selling. A lot of fears in the market. A lot of times when we sell aggressively, right? Like when you see strong sell-offs like these, a lot of fear is going to be in the market, especially at open, because a lot of people are going to be, a lot of people who started long in the market here are now underwater, so. Or up here or at all-time highs. If people were long in the market thinking we were going to bounce overnight, they're in trouble, right? So I think more downsides to come. We needed a retracement, we needed a pullback. So and then on NQ, my NQ levels are also being broken as well. I have a 30-minute, not 2-hour, and then this 90 minutes about to be actually it's already been thrashed through. But I think this larger zone might hold because this larger zone we bounced from it twice. So much bigger zone here, so we'll see what happens. It's at 17.62 so we'll see what happens there. That's my big zone on the day. It also was I think we had support here at one point, maybe not. I don't know why I have this line here. I don't know why this line's there. Whatever. But yeah, that's kind of my plan. And then if we get a retest, my retest is this line right here at 17.65. I think we'll come back up at some point. We'll come back up and we'll retest that line at some point because you'll see the market had a hard time getting over this before we finally broke over it. So I think this will be a nice resistance area once we come back up and retest it. So that is where I'm at with ES and NQ, since I know
I got a plan.
Hobbs is going with the flow. I know you have a plan, but you're also kind of going with the flow of where the market's at, which I don't blame you because you can't trust any demand zone at this point.
Well, I'll just go over what I got. So for me, shout out to Dave, man, because he be blessing some gems that don't really come full fruition. As far as it doesn't really click until I see certain things, right? So one thing that Dave said on his videos and his mentorship, right? He says that the 1-minute chart brings order flow to higher time frames, right? 1 minute brings order flow to the 5 minute, 5 minute brings order flow to the 15 minute. Well, once you understand that, then there's power in that. And what do I mean by that? What I mean by that, if time is fractal, or if time is fractal, and the 1 minute brings order flow to the 5 to the 15, 15 to the 30, blah blah blah, right? Well, that must mean that the 4 hour also brings order flow to the daily and the weekly, right? Therefore, the order flow that we're currently seeing right now, this is not 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15 minute order flow, ladies and gentlemen. This is clearly 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly order flow shift, right? Now, does it mean that it will hold? Well, that depends. This selling looks pretty clean. You see how this 4 hour candle has no wicks to it at all? This one doesn't, this one doesn't. That means that the sellers are definitely in the building. The question is, will the buyers defend? And the only thing we got to understand or figure out is which one of these swings, right, is going to be the swing to hold price, or are we going to start breaking through price? Because if you look on the weekly, we're already beneath the weekly fib 50% retracement. Now the week's not over. We still got 3 days left. However, this, if it closes bearish, is going to be bad. It's going to be the first blow that the buyers kind of take, right? But then on the monthly, I think we got Fibonacci retracements all the way down to 1745, right? So the weekly's bringing order flow to the monthly, the daily's bringing order flow to the weekly, and the 4 hours bringing order flow to the daily. That being said, where am I looking to trade? Well, right now, this 4 hour demand zone that I have at 17,683 through roughly about 17,571 is a 4 hour demand, but more importantly, it's a daily demand zone, right? If we break through this daily demand zone, then you can expect us to go back and retest 17,484 down to roughly 17,219, right? If we continue to come down, because the market again looks bearish, and like I told you guys yesterday or any other day I come in here, fundamentals is what drive people to buy or sell, right? And the market is forward thinking. Once you understand that, you understand why the market is selling. The market was pricing in a forecast of 2.9% on CPI inflation data. We did not get 2.9%. Instead, we got 3.1%. It's still down from the previous, but the market is forward thinking. It doesn't think backwards. The market's already priced in 2.9. So if we don't get 2.9, we're going to sell back down to the price, the fair value price of 3.1, not 2.9. Where that level is, I don't know. I can tell you that I have levels that I'm looking to trade at. I can tell you that I'm going to be discussing price action. I'm loading up some new Top Step accounts. Shout out to them because they dropped some $4.50 accounts today. I'm loading up some of those because if you check my Twitter page, I had a really good London session last night, a really good Tokyo session with the Discord members last night. So I'm not looking to trade any of my Apex accounts today. I'm just going to be looking to trade in the Top Step account. So in the new Top Step account. So I traded Apex last night for Tokyo, and then I traded my Top Step account in the London session, like 2 o'clock in the morning. So, but that being said, my levels are 683.75 through 574 and 484 through roughly about 234 to look to long the market. On the way back up, however, to the bearish side, well, I want to be bearish. I do. However, if I'm going to allow price to come up to 815 to be bearish, I might as well just long it. That's 200 points away, right? So the way I'm looking at the bearish side, there's no structure that was really built. This is just one aggressive candle. It's like, unless we continue down, if we continue down, I'm just going to watch the market fall. Like I'm not touching it until it comes back up some. Depending on what type of structure we build on the way down, that's where I will decide what I want to do. But on the 4 hour, we're in a level where we could bounce. So in my opinion, the best thing for me to do is look to get long based off the higher time frame bounce. So I hope that makes sense to you guys. Let me know if you had any questions, and good morning to everybody. We got Bray in the building, Hustle for Life in the building, Chicago Sean in the building. Bray says she caught a 9-point short on ES. Let's go. Yeah, I was long ES and NQ last night at the same time. Of course, yeah, I was long. I caught the bottom, took a scalp and killed it. Bud Yeti says, good morning, gentlemen. Good morning. Good morning. Mosley with these, I didn't even know you could type those things. or that's a different language, I'm sure. But Dave is Dave is a goat, man. For real, he goated. If you're not watching that free stuff, you should. You know, you ain't gotta go to get the pay stuff. Just watch the free stuff. What's up, Twice? What's up, Jay? You said, "Oh my God!" So,
it's gold dumped. Gold dumped with the rest of the market this morning.
Oh yeah, definitely. Let's see what these stocks looking like here.
Also dumpy.
Oh my God, ES just literally cleared every single demand zone I had on it. We are down 50 points on 100 points on ES in almost a day.
Yep, dumpy.
Nvidia, good night. Woo! Well, I hope y'all took y'all profits. Man, I hope y'all took y'all profits. God, tech is dumping.
It'll come back. At some point.
At some point. I told you, I said, if I was going to do anything at these levels, I'd be buying puts. Sheesh. Now I guess we know why Unusual Wells kept trying to tell us big money was selling calls. It's like, oh, we'll sell these calls all day. You'll never see these prices. Not in the next week. Woo, sheesh. Straight up savage to this market today. Closed a short at 17,960. Done for the day. Nice. Crazy part is I was short this market at 17,955. Believe that or not. With 4 minis. I could have printed. My target was a very reasonable target. Now that we're in the 600s, because my target was like 818, and I was like, man, am I asking for too much? Now I'm looking at the market bid at 637, and I'm like, my target wasn't even half of what we were gonna get. So, but yeah, it was a pretty good morning this morning.
Jesus.
All right, let's take a look at the stock market here. While Justin's looking at gold, I don't know what he's doing over there. I'm
just charting it out. I got a couple of demand zones I'm watching for gold. Mainly, there's a 1 hour demand zone at 2007.6 that should hold, but we'll see.
All right, bet. You trading gold today?
No, I'm trading ES, but I just want to mark areas to see how they react. But yeah, no, I'm not gonna. I don't want to. I want to trade with the tape or with some type of order flow today, especially with all the selling that's going on. I feel a little more comfortable.
Word. All right, so we got Microsoft over here. Hit all-time high one more time, just begging you to buy. And then I heard we had a Kramer effect. Like we had somebody was saying in the Discord that Kramer, the new member just joining, he was saying that Kramer basically said, "Can you guys hear me in the Discord? I just want to make sure I'm good." I bet. Yeah, so apparently Kramer came out and said that, it was a good time to buy these stocks. And I'm just like, bro, like you couldn't have been like, I just don't even understand at this point, like how do people even take him seriously? But anyway, Microsoft is obviously selling off. Again, the thing to note right now is the fact that Microsoft, NVIDIA, and all of these other stocks have the same structure as NQ, right? So we all have this 4-hour swing that we're in, right? Now, the reason why I think we come up is just because this thing's down $20 since yesterday. So either we were very overpriced or the market's going to start buying this back up. But right now, just understand that the higher time frame, the bulls are still very much in control, right? In the grand scheme of things, if they eat this back up, it'll just be like a discounted price. So just be careful when you come out with just fully bearish thesis. I'm not saying that we can't go down any further. I'm just saying, just be careful. And then we got NVIDIA over here. Again, hit all-time highs yesterday. I didn't even mark this. I didn't even realize they went up higher. Oh my God. NVIDIA went to 746.30 yesterday, which is absolutely insane. I didn't even know that.
Yep. Yeah. NVIDIA lost its mind yesterday.
NVIDIA lost. Yeah. And now we're back down $46. So if you were buying calls at the top, that's a deadly candle right there too. That 15-minute candle, that's pretty ugly up there. So hopefully you weren't buying calls at the top, but let's see.
Yeah, Microsoft also gapped down too pretty heavily, or sold off pretty heavily from all-time high.
I just went over Microsoft when you were charting.
My bad. I was just looking at it. I was like, dang, Microsoft.
Yeah. And then let's see, what's the next one here? Sorry guys, I'm trying to just get my bearings together I mean, anytime. The reason why I don't make pre-market plans for CPI is because I know where structure is, but you never know how deep they want to go back into structure, right? So for me, making a pre-market plan at 6:30 in the morning, knowing that CPI is going to come out, is just a waste of time. So I just refuse to do it. I'd be like, anytime CPI or PPI comes out, you won't get a pre-market plan from me. Instead, you'll just get me charting to start my day and just, looking at my levels. I'm going to let the dust settle a little bit while I get these accounts lined up for Top Step. I'm gonna let the dust settle a little bit and then just kind of call out price here in a second. We got what time is it? Oh, we got 10 more minutes till market open. Perfect. Gives me plenty of time. Inverse Kramer is always right. Yeah, exactly. Like if you've been around long enough, you know that doing the opposite of Kramer is probably the way to go. It's been proven. Good morning, Lou. How you doing, man? Lou F. What's going on, brother? I need some different music, man. This ain't gonna cut it for me this morning. What was we listening to yesterday? What's this? It's different. Oh, this is it, right?
Yeah, no, that's it.
Yeah.
Wait, no. We weren't listening to this yesterday.
This
was 2 days ago.
Yeah, this was that Ice Cube. People was talking about we was in Boys in the Hood or something.
Yeah, I think, which one was it?
Boys in the Hood ain't nothing but trouble. These buyers look kind of weak. I'm not gonna lie, guys. This recovery looks not impressive at all. It feels like passive buyers as opposed to aggressive buying.
No, it wasn't this one. I think
Please God, that one. I've heard that one way too much.
Wait,
it's not that one either.
Nope, not this one.
That one is laggy, super bad. I don't know what's wrong with that one.
Swiggity Swooty.
Is that what it's called?
No, but I just want to hear this one. It's actually not bad. I like the drum.
When I hear certain ones, I'll be like, man, what was I thinking when I downloaded that? I don't even know.
Maybe it might have been this one. It was one with the flute. Which is the one with the flute?
You picked it.
I know. I'm trying to find it.
Jeez, man, what a bloodbath this morning. What an absolute bloodbath. All right, hang on, guys. I'm almost done here. All right, there we go. That's definitely not it. Don't ever play that again. I've heard that. We used to listen to that one on. Here, put this on. There you go. Easy money.
Oh, this one, no, but this one has words though.
No. We can play this version. This don't have words. This don't have words in it. Yo, I need something. Yeah, this ain't it for me. I need some structure. This ain't gonna do it for me. I'm gonna find other things to do. Yeah, I don't know. This is not structure. This is order flow shift at its finest, ladies and gentlemen. This something. This is not the. It's looking like it. The tape looks like it. You see the tape. You see how we're barely getting buyers to step into the market. They're so uninterested. Like they look like they want to dump right now. Let me just show you guys the tape real quick so you guys can see what we're looking at in the Discord. But check this out. Normally at open, you start to see some type of aggressive buying come in or something. The bubbles get bigger, right? You start to see liquidity being added. Like this thing looks like a ghost town. It's like, what buying? We weren't buying. We were never buying since October. What are you talking about? We're selling everything. This doesn't look like the last time we sold off. This looks different. It looks like somebody's about to be exit liquidity. A lot of people about to be exit liquidity. A lot of people already are exit liquidity. Let's be honest. Somebody was swinging them calls last night. thinking CPI was gonna save them. I don't even want to know how much the Qs are down this morning. They gotta be getting tanked. Yeah, this is. Wait, I thought this was the instrumental joint.
It's not the instrumental. What's
My bad. I could have sworn the other one said it was instrumental. That was definitely not the instrumental version.
No.
I can't believe we can't find the one that we had. Was it?
There's so many damn songs.
I could take some of them off. I just don't know how. Oh
okay,
yeah,
hold up.
I
know how to take them, but I'm gonna figure it out. We're just gonna go through every single one and eventually.
Oh no. Yeah, at some point I want to see some type of take that one off. You can delete that one forever. We don't ever need that one. Just delete it. I hate that song. I hate when every time I hear it, it drives me crazy.
Although I should.
But yeah, you want to see some type of interest from buyers here on the tape, and we're just not getting any interest. Like the top of the like yesterday when everybody was so bullish, it looks so empty up here. It's like, can you believe we were at 18,000 at one point? Like seriously, there's no liquidity up here. People are like, they ghosted 18,000. They was like, no. Woo! All right, here comes a little bit of buyers. At some point, buyers got to start stepping in. You know, the market can't just sell straight. I mean, it can. Market do whatever it wants to do. But I guess in order to entice retail, you want to see the market push up, right? So we retail investors will be, wanting to long the market. That's what they want. So I will oblige.
Maybe it was this one.
All right, let me see how to get in this top step joint.
Was it this one?
No, that one's got a weird beat to it. All right,
it was like it had a flute.
How do you load the Top Step platform to go trade on it? Oh, launch Top Step.
You have to launch Top Step X. Shut up, Justin. They have a limited amount of instruments, but I mean, it doesn't really matter.
What do you mean?
Like, they said that they offer gold, oil, ESNQ, MNQ, MES, and I think YM and RTY, and like that's it. But their whole catalog is a lot bigger.
Gotcha.
But they're on Top Step X. They're only offering like a limited amount right now, I guess is what they said.
So they got NQ, right?
Yeah, I just said they got NQ and MNQ.
I know. I was making a joke. Calm down, killer. All right, I don't care about time and sales.
I can't. We'll just stick with the no friend zone. I don't know what the song was. Damn it. I forgot.
All right, let's go to MNQ. Let's load up 5 micros.
Oh no! I need the. Oh man. That's what. Oh, okay.
It's kind of cool. I like this. It looks better. Sorry, guys. I'm using the new Top Step X platform.
It's the same to me.
Behind the scenes, it looks a little cleaner.
I do like the.
It's got a darker background. It's definitely.
Well, I like the candlesticks. Different. I like how you can see the candlesticks a lot better and zoom into them a lot better than you can on Trade of 8. But you always could do that. I think the Trading View platform just looks better than the Trade of 8 platform. It just
I'm saying as far as like how it moves now, as opposed to how it moved before, it's different. It's cleaner. It looks more of like last time. It looked more like a prototype. Now it looks much cleaner. That's all I'm saying. All right.
One thing I wish you could do is you could get your orders off here to put them into the journal, but whatever, it's fine.
Yeah, I don't care about that. All right. Market is looking aggressive to the downside yet again. Again. At some point, like we have to build some type of structure. I'm not gonna say we have to, because I could very well trade this. I just don't feel comfortable trading this knowing that I'm in higher time frame demand. Because what I would want to do is I would want to short the tops, like short the structure tops, right? So basically, here, let me show you guys my screen here. All right. I know a lot of you guys don't even use bookmap, so I don't want to confuse. All right. So what I would be looking to do if I was going to trade this is every time we came back into structure at 640, I'd be looking to short it back down to 630, right? However, because I know where we are on a higher time frame, these pops up, one of these are going to pop up and it's going to pop up big. Or I could be wrong and this thing just continues down. But just looking at the candlestick formation, right? This looks like a falling wedge into demand, which means that as soon as the market opens, there's a high probability we just go whip and then come back down, right? But I'd rather just be patient and wait. So that's the way I'm looking at price right now. Oh, market's open and more selling. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where's the VIX doing right now? The VIX has to be going absolutely insane. Yeah, VIX. Oh my God, look at the dollar. Oh my God. Jeez, there goes 500. Oh my goodness.
There we go. Yeah, we shot up.
Wow. All right, let's see if we dip down and then pop back up or not. See, and this is what I was talking about, that high volume dip, that high volume swing to the bottom and then a pop back up. I like this area for longs, but I just want to see us break above structure first. So for me, getting above structure looks like what are you doing over there, dude? Are you like charting like 4 different things over there or what?
No, you're just hearing my scroll wheel, that's all.
Okay. All right, more aggressive selling coming into this market. But again, this area for me is a good area to potentially look to long the market. And the next area is going to be that 484 down there. So let's see what buyers do down here. I like to see a break above 701. A break above 701 or 703 would give me a good indication that, you know, it'd be okay to take a long. Because this is the previous high. This is more like the previous high right here because it put this low in. Just open this up a little bit. All right, there we go. Yeah, we're very much in a downtrend, so nothing really for me to do, especially as aggressive this thing looks over here. Debating on whether or not I want to go aggressive on one top step account, or do I just want to go conservative for all of them? I think I'm going to start off conservative for all of them with like 5 micros. And then once I build a cushion, because it's top step. He said,
I'm with Valdez. I'm going aggressive.
Oh, wait, it's 450 for resets too, right?
No, it's full price for resets.
Oh, yeah, no, man, I'm gonna go conservative then. If I get to the end of the month and I'm still not done with it, yeah, then I'll be like full port. He said conservative. You pay.
I was planning on going full port, to be honest, because it's only 450. Then I just wait a month to reset. Not full port, but I'm playing. Well, I'm playing 2.
The way I look at it, the way I look at it, I would say, okay, I'll trade a mini, because if I can build a cushion on the first few trades, then I can size up, and because you only need to make 1,500, right? Like you only need to get to $1,500. I mean, what is 1,500 on a mini? Like 75 points or something like that? I think.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, it's like, dang, you know what I mean? Like I can get to 1,000 fast. You know, that's a couple 10-point moves, and that's pretty much it. That's done. Yeah, it looks like the market's trying to push up here, but
did you say $4? Yeah, they're $4.50, but you had You had to be in the promo. You had to get the promo for Top Step X when it first released. You had to sign up for it.
And we told everybody about it in here, so don't say we didn't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they gave away 5 accounts for $4.50 a piece. And then the monthly fee afterwards is $4.50 a piece as well. So
yeah, I never have to buy another Top Step account until I get funded. Put it that way.
Yeah, I mean, hell, you don't got to buy another funded account ever until you get funded.
Right? I really like. I don't ever need a funded account again. That's basically what that's the gift Top Step just gave us, because if the account gets funded, then I just got to make it to payout. But I still have 4 more that I'm paying less than any other account that I ever will hold. There's no other account that I'm charging that's giving me 4 accounts for $16. So yeah, bless up. I don't need any more accounts. Thank you. That's all I needed.
Yeah, and Top Step
that's basically what they did. That was like
Top Step has the best payout structure probably out of all the other prop firms. Debatably, whatchamacall though, Take Profit might have a better payout structure, but it is.
Yeah, they're expensive, and they got these little. They got them little hidden rules too, and they ain't coming off their prices at all.
All right, looks like we're getting some strong buying up out of here.
Top Step X is their new platform. They basically leased out TradingView, and then they created their own platform, so they only have to pay for data. So they were able to give us the accounts for the price that they pay for the data, but not everybody is going to get that.
Yeah.
All right, we're getting some strong buying coming out of this area. I just want to see a break over that white line right there, and then once we get that, then I'm just looking for I'm looking for longs.
Yeah, I'm already looking for longs. I'm just waiting for a pullback at this point. We got enough strong buying.
Yeah, it's time to buy. Ain't no way they finna let this deal go. I just want to see a clean break. If they can't break it cleanly, then I'm gonna stay away, because this market is still very, very bearish. These bears is on one.
Oh, it's nice dip into that demand zone with a really nice consolidation, and then we ran the low. That was really nice on NQ.
Yep. Yeah, we came right into. Oh my God! What the? I tried to run a fib on Top Step X, and it's got all of these colors. I'm like, oh, we got to do some settings here.
What's Top Step? Did you answer Bud's question? What's Top Step X?
Yeah, I answered it. Where are you today, man? Are you here?
Well, I'm looking to actively trade. So
yeah, I answered this question. Let me take this trend line off. Bet. I'm waiting on us to come back into 634. Yeah, I want to. Now that we got that closure over 646, I want to see a push back into 634 to roughly about 638 to roughly about 620. If we just continue to push from here, then I'll pass on the trade. But I like everything that I'm seeing about the buys here. If you took that long, good job. Just remember, the first push out of here is usually the scalp. So make sure you trade accordingly, and you're definitely Yep. Make sure you trade accordingly and expect a flush at some point.
Oh, there's a lot of selling going on up here at this high.
Definitely bullish behavior out here, just like we just talked about. Definitely looking for longs out of this area. I just want to see us clear some of that liquidity above, break one of those highs, and then come back up. I want to see a nice clean break out of here.
Oh, even actually, dang. If you look at Top Step X, their 5-second chart actually looks better than the one that you can get from the from actual TradingView.
Oh my God, their 5-second chart looks fire. Whoa, look at this, guys. I'm gonna share it in Discord real quick. I'm gonna share my screen.
Yeah, their 5-second chart actually looks legit,
bro. They 5-second chart is super fire. He said, "What?"
Yeah, it looks better than what you pay for, honestly.
Bro, look at this. This is the 5-second chart with Top Step X, guys. It looks no different. Oh, this is fire. I got somebody go tell Dave. Somebody go tell Dave. Oh boy, 5-second chart. Bravo.
Yeah, it looks
No
pretty
gaps. No gaps. You don't need the indicator.
good. Yeah,
Wow.
I bet you. Let's see. Oh
This
no,
is
they don't
beautiful.
they don't have. They only have indicators that are. I think they only have indicators that are on Top Step right now. That'd be interesting because there's a whole bunch of indicators on TradingView. It'd be cool if you could license them out, but I guess you can't. All right, a lot of strong selling coming into the market now. Let's see if this gets shut down.
I'm just screenshot this and throw it on Twitter. At Top Step X Bravo on the 5-second chart. Better than TradingView.
And they're using TradingView. That's the funny part about it.
Which is crazy.
A lot of selling. A lot. A lot of people are trying to sell the market right here as we dip back down, at least on ES.
Change. Why can't I spell this morning? Change. Spell changer. Like
What?
game changer.
Oh,
Spell
CHANGER.
All right. There's no H in there, right? CHANGER.
Yes.
I know I'm tired. Great job on the 5-second start. No gaps is a game changer. Then we'll just pop that in there. All right. Okay.
There's a ton of selling right now on bookmap.
Did you say $41? No, $4. Yeah, it's $4. And oh wait, I'm sorry, I read the same comment. My bad.
Mm-hmm.
What?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay, this is not what I expected from the Bulls. They look weak.
There's a really big bid at 49.72.50 on ES. There's like 500 lots in there.
Is that above or below price?
Below price, barely.
I just don't like this close right here. Like I like that we closed above. I just wanted us to close a little better than that. So.
Oh, I like we got buying up with a lot of selling, and then the selling was really aggressive on the way back down. So now I'm just waiting to see if we can get I want to see they're about to fill these orders here from this buyer. Oh, I think he might have let it go. Oh, he moved it down. Interesting. He let a little bit of his order fill, and then he moved it down some. I guess he's trying to get filled at a lower price. On ES, it's on 49.72 to the dot, actually. And now we're getting some buying coming out.
I missed my entry.
All right, I just took the market long there. That buying.
I know. I came back and I was like, dang, we came right to my spot. But let's see if we come down one more time. I'll take it long off of here if we hold.
Maybe a little bit more.
Rule violation. Oh no, I can't play 10 micros. Ah! Gotcha.
Oh yeah, you can only play 5.
I forgot. No.
It shouldn't blow your account though. They should just not let you.
No.
Right?
It didn't. No, it didn't blow my account. It just didn't let me fill it, which means that I didn't get my fill that I wanted. So I'm gonna pass. Dang, man. I was ready to hit the go. I was ready to go, baby. I That's all right. That's all right. I catch the next ride. I catch the next ride. It's NQ. She'll come back. She'll come back to us. What? Are you by like a computer or something?
Yeah, he got his fan
this?
going.
Oh, okay. He's by his fan. Gotcha. No, you good. You good. Yeah, I just.
Oh, what part of Connecticut?
Yeah, we're still just not getting that strong close. It's a double top here.
Okay,
Yeah.
I don't know where that is, but I lived in Hartford when I was a kid. Oh, nope.
Bro, the 15-second chart looked like the 1 minute on here. They are loading a ton of liquidity underneath us. 250 orders, but they keep taking it off for some reason. Kind of like what I see, but I don't know. I'm hesitant, so I'm just gonna fall back a little bit till I see exactly what I want to see. Really contemplating loans right here. Right, there's some aggressive buying coming out of here. Just not moving the market up.
Yeah, we got some aggressive buying on ES.
How do I? Oh shit. Oh, okay. Oh shit. I definitely should have went with micros first to make sure I understood how to do this dang account. I forgot how to do this. Okay, here we go. Then where's my level here? Sorry, working with a new platform here, guys. All right, looking for a push in the 806 or 7703. Entry was horrible.
I have a feeling they want to get these orders filled at 72.
Yeah, we're just consolidating up here, trying to either push up or I just hate my feel.
I'll let these orders go. Uh-oh.
Let me get out of this thing. I really hated my feel in the 50s. And we're just holding the top of that range too. If I can get the bottom of the range, I'll feel more comfortable, but I just cut it for a small loss right there. I'd rather get a much better entry than what I got. All right, let me see if I can open these candles up a little bit. It's funny how just the small aesthetics make a big difference in like how you trade and what you're. Man, these fills suck. Like I hit the button like 10 minutes ago. Okay. Do I have the option to buy the market with this? Nope, I don't have the option. What about if I want to put a limit order? How do I do that? All right, let's go limit. And then if I hit buy, Now I'm in 2 contracts. No, I put limit. What? Okay, well, I guess that works. But I don't know. Oh my God, I'm so confused. Am I filled with 2 contracts or am I not? And is my stop? Oh my God, this is very stressful. Is my stop at 2 contracts or 1? I'm assuming the stop automatically loads 2 contracts. Yeah, it looks like we're coming down to the lower end of that range. Yvonne's in the building. What's up, man? Dang, my bad, y'all. I'm trying to figure out this top step thing right now. Inverse Kramer is always right. Yeah, they're trying to sell this thing off up here. I'm in long, but I don't know. I'm trying out a $4.50 account right now. So inverse Kramer is always right. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So $4 each month for each account. Yes, $4.50. Unless you blow it, and then if you reset it, it's regular reset fees. Careful up here, Jay. It's looking real bearish.
I already got stopped out.
I just got here. What's going on, Kevin, in the house? Yeah, we just couldn't push out of that area. We weren't getting that push that I really wanted to see. So it looks like we're in this zone right now. This range between the low being at 633.17 and the high being up there at 615. So if I'm gonna play it, I want to get long down here as opposed to getting long up at the top up there. All right, I'm long 641 right there. I like this entry much better. But if we break down below the range, then I'll just be stopped out. This I can accept. The previous trade, I could not accept it. I did not like my entry. I was trying to figure out this daggone system. Like, it was too much going on. But I think I'm back. I think I'm good now.
Yeah, there's still a lot of selling in the market.
Yeah, I'm banking on the selling pushing us out of here though. And if they push us out of here, I'll add another one. But
oh, wait, you got short?
No, I got long.
Oh,
stops at break even now.
You said you were banking on the selling pushing us out. That's why I was confused.
Yeah, the absorption of the sellers turning into buyers to push us out of the range.
No, gotcha.
Yeah, I'm stopped out for break even right there though. It's way too choppy inside of here, and we basically shifted to the downside here, but I think we're still respecting this range. I'm kind of really antsy because I'm in a new platform and a new little, I don't know, it feels like a new car, but I'm still trying to figure out how to drive this thing.
Yeah, I think we're coming down. There's a lot of liquidity below us that's about to get filled.
Yeah, I'm not giving up on the longs yet. I think if we hold this area, we'll continue to go up until we get below 628. Not 628, 587, that very low right there. Then I'm giving up on the longs as far as taking them from here, but I'm still bullish until we get below 587. Are you playing ES or are you playing NQ?
ES.
Gotcha. Market's chopping around in here. Let me check the chat here. What's the entry confirmation of that red line, if you don't mind me asking? That is the 50% retracement of this high here and this low, right? Or this low right here. I didn't count the wick. I just counted this area. So basically what I was hoping for was that we broke above this high here. Basically what I'm getting right now is what I was looking to get. Damn it. No, I know what I'm seeing. Let's go.
Oh, NQ definitely looks a lot stronger than ES does.
All right, let me take this 100 and get back in the game. Wait, what just happened? Did I get filled or not? I'm so confused. No, don't sell right there. Take that off. No. No.
I don't know what you're doing.
Oh my god! I just caught the bottom and I was trying to set a limit. Oh my god, no. No. Bro, I got long at 639 and I was like, okay, let me take this off. So I hit sell, but it didn't sell. It put a limit order on there, right? To sell at 653. I was like, oh, wait a minute, this is pushing. Let me move this order. And I was trying to slide the order out of the way, and the market rocket shipped up and cut me out for a measly $200 when I could have gotten a quick 500. I was literally just about to move my take profit to 66, and it cut me out. I was like, no. At 2.8. Oh yeah, you got the bottom. Nice. Yeah, that 5 second was. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, that's what I was looking at. I was like, that's why I was trying to get in at the bottom, but I couldn't trying to figure out top step, man. It was just a little tough for me. Like, that's all. I'm so used to. I think we come back down and then we pop back up, but exactly. Let's go. Yeah, so, and I was trying to answer a question in the chat, but that's all good. But yeah, so that's what that red line indicates. And you can see, I told you guys yesterday, anytime I draw a red line, I ain't gonna say you can book it, but something's gonna happen there, right? I told you guys that yesterday. I'm telling you again, anytime you see me draw a red line, it's like the foot stomp, right? That's where I'm looking to trade. So, what it do, baby? CPI sliding. Yeah, I think we're going to come back up, though, Yvonne, before we go back down. I know y'all want a long, stay patient, be careful it's going down some more. I mean, nobody really knows. I'm just playing off what I see. I know we're going to go down some more, but I think we come up to go down, right? Up 300. Let's go, bud. Yeah, I mean, we called literally the exact level where I wanted to get long to the tick. We tapped right on that red line, which is exactly where I wanted to go. I was just trying to figure out top step behind the scenes. Looks like we're about to pop back up again here, but there's a lot of liquidity trying to stop us at 680. So the market wants to go down. I 100% agree with you guys, 100%. But I think we got to go up to come down. We're already extended 300-400 points. So what platform are you using now? I'm using Top Step X because they gave out $4.50 accounts. Well, okay, let me be clear. They had a promotion. They were promoting their platform at Top Step X, and you had to sign up for the platform with your email to test it out. They gave out free accounts to test it. So we signed up. And then because we signed up, now that they're launching their their platform, they gave out all of the people that helped do the beta testing. They gave us all 5 free $4 or 5 $4.50 account promo codes. I see it. We'll pull back. Where's the Top Step discount code? I don't have a Top Step discount code. Top Step denied us affiliate status.
Yeah.
They told us we were too small. I was like, all right, okay, whatever. I'm not gonna be mad at you. I just, hey, we'll spin back around. Yeah, we're looking bullish. I think we're moving to take out 67706, which was my target. Down here at the lows. I had some technical difficulties behind the scenes, guys. That should have been a body right there. I should have caught a whole body right there, because right where you were looking to trade is exactly where I was looking to trade too, Valdez. And I can see it clean on the 5 second over here. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I just gotta figure out how to add. Oh, here it is right here. Okay. Now I know how to add limit orders. Okay. That's what I was looking for. Okay. So on Top Step X, if you're using it, you have to right click. You have to right click on Trading View or on the platform, and you get the option to put limit orders. That's what I was trying to put. I was trying to put a limit order right at 633 because that's where I wanted to get filled. But it's all good. We'll catch the next body.
Yeah.
Maybe we catch the elevator coming back down. How's the ES? Is ES pushing up again as well?
No, it's just consolidating at the low.
Okay. Oh, that's where you were saying different things. I was like, bro, like, I don't know. Then I had to realize you. I was like, he trading ES. He ain't looking at what we looking at.
No, like, I saw it rally on NQ. I saw the rally that you guys caught.
Well, not that. I'm saying, I don't know. Go ahead.
I mean, ES just looks weak right now, comparatively.
Let's take a look at the stock market here. See what it's doing.
I'm trying to recover.
Nothing. Oh, Alphabet is recovering and Amazon are recovering, as well as Meta. So those are all good signs. The market wants to come up a little more.
More selling on yes.
I definitely think they're setting retail up for the slaughter. The slaughter's coming. I'm just trying to long it on the way up because I'm getting out of the way when this thing starts coming down. I think we come back up to 7,008 through roughly about basically this box right here, guys. This is, I don't know, what screen can you guys see on StreamYard? Okay, let me switch to this camera or this screen. Yeah, so basically on the 5 minute, right where this other red line is, right? This red line right here, this is the weekly Fibonacci retracement. If we can't even get above this level at 697, we're gonna dump heavy, right? Heavy, right? But what I'm thinking, my thesis is this. I think that we pull all the way back to come back up and retest that fib at the 800s, right? Like 78, whatever. Somewhere up through here, and then we pop back up. We pop back down. So that's why I'm trying to get long in here, because I think if we can get a push out of this area, right? My thesis is we get a push out of this area. Maybe we sweep one more time, then we come back down, and then we push out of this area to go back here, get everybody super bullish, and then we dump. Right? That's kind of what I'm looking to trade right now.
And the one thing okay, there we go.
What the? Oh, that's what's happening. Okay. It's set to limit order. I'm not market ordering in. That's what it is. Okay.
Yeah, you got to choose.
All right. I remember this. I remember now. I remember the little slick jump they used to do. Okay. All right. Top step. Let's come down. A lot of freaking selling going on the tape right now, guys. A ton of selling.
Yep, there's a lot of selling going on.
It's not moving the market down though. It feels more like we're just selling into support so we can go higher. That's what it feels like to me. But we'll see. Book's not going, the market's not moving higher either, but I still think the market wants to move up.
Yeah, we got a really a lot of orders down here at 6.5 to 6.2. So
yeah, we're just chopping right now. I'm gonna be patient.
I think the only difference is I think NQ, yeah, NQ's moved up. Yes, it's still coming down.
We barely moved up. We keep getting stopped at the highs, which tells me we want to go lower. This looks like short territory to me. Yeah. I'm just chilling right now. I'm like, I'll wait. Let's see what we got right now.
We're about to run this low.
Oh yeah, that's aggressive selling. What?
Wow, Top Step. Cool story, Top Step.
What?
They just skipped my order. Wow. All right, well. I was in a long and they skipped my order.
What do you mean that you were in a long and it? Oh, like your
they
your
ran
stop?
they ran my stop.
What's going on, stores? And the market has to mirror itself. Yeah, I agree. I'm making the switch from Forex to futures this week. Just been doing research. Dope. I think we definitely need to fill that gap, but it doesn't necessarily mean we have to fill it today though, right? Like that's the only thing. We're just retesting this low right here. So be careful shorting this. Bro, what the hell? Like there's a lot to learn over here on Top Step, man. A lot. Just FYI. I'm still looking for longs though, but all of this selling does not make me feel good at all. At all. What? Settle down, young lady. Settle down. Goodness, get your act together, NQ. You over here acting like a. Never mind. I don't even think I can say that. I mean, I can say whatever I want, but you know. Yeah, NQ over here having a whole aneurysm right now. I don't know. I'm not going over there. I was just. All right, there we go. There we go. There we get that. I got a horrible entry, bro. Horrible entry. I got 55, 50, which means basically it's the previous low on the 5 second, but I hate the entry. Still up on it, but I'll take it to break even, go up a little bit here. And I went back to micros because I was dog walking this account already because all the stupid mistakes I was making. But Lord Jesus, I'm gonna get it back though. Let's come on back. Let's make the comeback. Comeback story is gonna be impressive. All right, let's go. There we go. All right, up about 20 points. I'm taking that off. Thank you. Right back in the game, baby. Let's go. All right. Whew. It was a little dark back here for a second. Messing with this platform. All right, again, we're still tapping that red line. Like I said, every time we tap this red line and we hold, it just gives me more and more confidence that we're going to move higher, right? If we come down here and we break below 8.2, then I'll be done looking for longs, right? As far as this current trend that we're on is based off this queen right here, Hustle for Life. If you remember this this analogy I gave you guys last night, the queen down here at 582, that's the queen, right? She basically knighted somebody at 632 and again at 634.
No,
so 634 is in control of this current trend right here. But ultimately the trend is bullish. But the other queen on the other side at 684 and 683 is in control of the small downtrend that we're in. But this trend hasn't done what it's supposed to do by taking out the previous low. If it does that, then this queen will be validated, but she's not right now. Right now, she's just up here, trying to fight back, but it ain't gonna work. Hopefully it don't work. I got what I needed out of it though, right? Like I took my pieces off the chessboard and walked away clean. We got out scot-free. I had to dig from behind, and I was down like $400 or $500. so fast because I couldn't figure out like the stop loss wasn't right. Like where I like, you know how you used to see in the big candle structure, you can see where to put your stop loss. And I look to the left. By the time I look to the left, I'm down 200. I'm like, oh my God, I'm getting bad entries. I'm not taking trades the way I want to take them. It's a big difference when you go from one platform to a different platform, in my opinion. But the tape looks aggressively selly here. So that queen on the other side may get what she wants, right? She may be able to sell this market down. But I don't know. I'll let this kind of let the dust settle a little bit while I play around with Top Step. Good thing is if I blow this account in a month, well, the good thing is I can't blow the account in a day. Like that's impossible. But if I do blow the account, I'll just wait a month and just reset it in a month. And like if I get through all these accounts, I'll just be like, oh well, I'll just wait a month and they'll reset for $36.
I'm so pissed.
It's 2,000, but they put you on a limit for 1,000 per day. So like if you go down 1,000 on a 50K account, they'll kick you out for the day. And then they put you on timeout for a day. And then tomorrow you come back and, you know, if you blow another 1,000 tomorrow, then you're then you got to reset. But the resets cost me 90% more or 100% more than the account costs. So I will not be resetting. I have four other accounts that I can use a code for. So nah, there will be no resets for this guy. But some people will basically go full port on all 5 accounts. They'll like mirror their accounts. Yeah. So guys, this is what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to take a long, no longer down here at 630. What I'm looking for is I'm looking for this other red line right here, right? I'm looking for the tap, and you can see this line lines up right here, right? But first, I would like to see structure broken, but if I'm gonna get long, I wanna get long down here at 647, right? I don't wanna get long right here at the high as we start to push up, because what's happening is we're inside of the chop. Somebody's loading into a sell side position. It's obvious on the tape, right? It's obvious on the VIX, right? Somebody's obviously loading into a very large sell side position. You can see the VIX rallying. You can see the dollar rallying. Like somebody's loading up to sell this market. So if I am going to get long strategically, I need to wait for key levels to hit. Because if I don't, I'm going to be mincemeat up here, right? Like I'm going to be fish food, right? Swimming with the fishes. Or I could just wait for this thing to completely flush and get in on that clear movement. Because this right here is not, this movement right here, this price action right here, this is tradable, 100% tradable, right? But it's not clean, right? If you're waiting for clean price action, just stick around for another hour or so. It'll show itself. But this is not clean price action. This is price action that requires you not to be greedy. Number one, right? Number two, it requires you to be disciplined, right? Notice how I took the long and I took my money up 10 or 20 points. I was only in 5 micros, but hey, that's $200. I'll take that all day, right? But I wasn't greedy. And sure enough, as soon as it went up, slaughtered right back down. So if you got long down here and you didn't take your bread up in the 70s, the market's going to come take it for you, right? If you don't have rules in place and you're trying to play in the chop, prepare to be chopped. That's all I can tell you. Chop is dangerous unless you train for it. I've trained for the chop, right? I was born in it. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm built for this. I'm built for the chop. You know what I mean? Like, bring it on. I got an arsenal for everything. Right now, we're just not at a level where I want to trade it, right? Like, I'd rather just wait for this. We're too close to the high for me to be longing, right? And the market being so bearish, we're too close to the high. So that's why I'm hesitant to even long it inside of this range. But if you want to know how to trade the range, right? This is it. This free sauce right here. I'm gonna show you exactly how to trade the range. Step number 1, identify the range, right? That's step number 1, right? So if we just identify the range, right? What's the high? What's the low? All right. The most recent high is this wick right here at 676. What's the low? Well, it's this guy. The most recent wick right here, right? We know that this Fibonacci is the low or the center of this consolidation. So we know if price comes down here, in order for this consolidation to be true, it must hold. Okay. So once we identify the range and we say, okay, it's 643 through 676. Is that something we can make money off of? Yeah, that's a 33-point range, right? Therefore, range rules apply, understanding that the more powerful party, just like yesterday, it was bulls, the more powerful party today is longs. So it's shorts. So if you're gonna long the range, just be careful and make sure you get confirmation. And this is why we go down to lower time frames when we're trading the range, right? So if we're gonna trade the range, we trade it down here in the 5-second realm, right? Because we can get our confirmation on our candles much sooner, right? So we already know that we have these lows that are being put in, right? We got a low here, we got a low here, we got this low, right? So as long as price stays above 650, we're good, right? For this range. But we still got this low that needs to break down here at 643, right? And then finally, we got this last low down here at the Fibonacci area, right? And this is why I said, if you're gonna play the range, you might want to look to trade closer. If you're gonna long it, you don't want to be longing up here because the market is very bearish. You get caught slipping real quick, right? You don't want to short it down here unless you just, you just like sitting through pullbacks because it's gonna pull back once it breaks the low, right? But the ideal thing to do is just wait for price to come back up inside the range, for me anyway, and build structure. See, now we have structure right here that we can look to short the market down to, right? So every time price comes up, we look to short the market down, right? Every time price comes up, we look to short the market down, right? Sometimes price won't come all the way up to structure, right? So what do? Well, price likes to come to the 50%. Think of it like the discount aisle, right? So the previous high and the previous low puts you right at 50%, right? Look at where price is stopping, right? But at the same time, I was just about to say, at the same time, you got to be careful because even though we're coming to 50%, the market is in a range. So what does the market like to do at the bottom of a range? It likes to go to the top of the range. So
yeah, I just tried to get another TopSip account because I want to retire this one. I'm already down in it. And it's like, yeah, no, the code isn't valid. So I don't know what's going on. But
I got two.
How'd you get two?
I just bought them both at the same time. I bought one and then I went back in and bought another one.
Really?
I don't know what it said.
That's weird. Yeah, I tried to do it. I tried to buy a second one and it said code is invalid.
It's just probably backed up. Did you do it a bunch of times?
Yeah.
He said, yeah.
And then I did because I accidentally bought one at full price. So I'm like, yeah, no.
No.
My money back.
No. We don't do that, Mr. Justin.
Well, that's why I told him.
What are you
look,
doing?
Man, look, I went in there and I tried to hit the 50K buy an account. I put my thing in there and it says code is invalid.
Go Crazy says, do you think the king is gonna step in and force buys? Yeah, first of all, it's the queen.
Now it wants to work.
This is chess. All right, it's the queen. Okay, it's the queen. All right, but yes, what I think my thesis is, and again, theses get invalidated all the time, right? But nothing about my thesis has changed, right? The only thing this is telling me, right? If we go to the 1 minute, right, and just get a clearer picture, right? If you're familiar with what's that thesis? What's the guy that came up with this pattern, Jay? Or that he identified the different stages of the market, right? Wyckoff. Yeah. So if you're familiar with Wyckoff and his pattern, right? That's all the market's really doing down here, guys. We're just putting in Wyckoff's pattern, right? You look here, the market's bullish down here. There's no doubt in my mind that the market's bullish down here. No doubt. The question is, will it be bullish enough to push higher? All we're doing is we're trying to trap. I hate using the word trap retail because that's not what the market's doing. The market doesn't care about you. It doesn't. Like, it thanks you for your contribution, but with all due respect, the market can move without us. Period, point blank, right? The market gives 2 Fs about retail. Let's just make that clear, okay? Retail cares about retail. That's why we always reference retail, because we care. The market could care less. Like, Apple's going to be a $2 trillion company because of you, right? You made Apple rich, right? Anyway, let's just keep going. Inside of Wyckoff, right, we have different stages of the market, right? So we got like, you know, the downtrending phase, the uptrending phase, we got accumulation, we got distribution, right? We got all these different phases. But what people don't realize is they look at Wyckoff on the 1 hour, daily, weekly, and all that stuff. This is happening everywhere because time is fractal. Once you understand that logic, once you understand that everywhere you look, when we break a high, when we break a low, you're going to see consolidation or you're going to see accumulation, reaccumulation, distribution, right? And then sales up or down, right? Or buys and sells. And that's all we're identifying here. What Dave has done is he simplified it, right? So you're not looking at the VWAP, the EMA, you know, like this, that, and the other. Like, no, you're just looking for certain things to happen. Those things are just based off market structure. This is not as hard as we make it. It's only difficult because you have to be precise. And if you're not precise, the market will tax that ass, right? It will 100% tax you, right? So if you took the red line, go for it. Like I'm not even tripping. Like I said, I did a lot of trading in the Tokyo and the London section. My day can't get any better right now. I'm very happy with my day. Like I'm Gucci. But if you caught the red line, here you go. Let's just stretch that out, right? Look at that. Right down there at 33 on the dot, right? Again, just reading price, understanding what price is trying to do, right? And not being fooled by imitators. These sellers were fakers to me. Like they were true sellers, but it was like I was saying it's just like the thesis that Justin put out a week ago where we were getting all of that selling and it wasn't moving the market down because we were inside a consolidation or accumulation. It was the same thesis here. It was just on a smaller scale. Yeah, the market was selling, but we were absorbing price. I don't know what Valdez is doing over there. It sounds like he's farting. You all right, good? You good about it? Is that Hustler? Hustler, what you doing over there? Hustler out there letting it rip. But yeah, so it was the same thesis down here, right? All of this selling was coming into the market, but it was accompanied by a buying. And we had switched trends right here. The trend shifted, right? Was there short opportunity? Sure. But the ultimate thing that the market wanted to do was go up, right? And that's what we were identifying because we pointed out on the 4 hour, right? If you look on the 4 hour, this is God, this is so much sauce right now. Like I hope y'all really, really tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. But look at the 4 hour. Think about what I told you this morning. The 4 hour is delivering order flow to the higher time frame, to the daily candle, right? Therefore, inside of that, the 1 minute has to deliver order flow to the 5 minute, to the 15 minute, so on and so forth, right? If that's true, then the 5 minutes should look like it's about to push up, right? The 15 minutes starts to look bullish, right? The 30 minute looks like a basing candle, right? The 90 minute probably looking like, we were reversing, right? Because it's all being delivered to each other, right? Because time is fractal. And the daily candle pops inside of this demand zone, just like we talked about, right? And then pushes up, right? It doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to push up because understand the market is very bearish. Like this selling was not, accidental. But the market can easily flip back bullish because the market is forward thinking. Because you know what the market makers are thinking about right now? All right, cool. We got a discount. We stole a bunch of liquidity. On the 4 hour chart, they're looking to run this thing right back up. They don't care about us. They care about getting the best price. If you're along for the ride, so be it. So you better start learning how to read price action and read market structure because it's king. It doesn't matter what anything else is telling you. I don't care. I care less. Market structure is going to rule everything else. So I'm with you on the long bias. I took 1 minute demand setup that formed at 9:34 a.m. Eastern. Still in it. Hopefully price fills that gap today. If not, it's cool. Yeah, I got us going at least to 7706, and we're about 4 points away. So if you took that trade, it was a straight up kill count right there. We called it live on the channel.
I'm waiting on a pullback now. I missed my entry messing around with Top Step, so the code did end up working. So now I just need to get. Hopefully they'll give me a refund for that account. I'm not going to trade it, but we'll see. Knowing them, they'll be like, yeah, no refunds.
All right, and then no, they will. They usually are pretty good about it. But remember, guys, we marked this red line. We had our target at 7706, right? Like I was foobarring around back here and messed up with Top Step, but I honestly, like the fact that Top Step gave me these free accounts, I could care less about anything else. Like basically they're free. Like I pay more for like a bottle of water than I paid for an account that can potentially pay me thousands of dollars, right? But 7706 was my first target. The second target would be 714. Check my Twitter page. I've already done my damage in this market. So if I make some money in this account, great. If not, I'm probably gonna go back to bed because I'm tired. Store says my entry was on the close of the 742 1 minute candle. Let me see. What's the price, Stores? Just give me the price. 742 Eastern. So wait, or 740. I'm assuming we're talking about Eastern because thanks to Yvonne, I've changed everything to UTC. It went back to Chicago. Hold on. UTC 5 is where I'm supposed to be. All right, getting that push up out of here. Just like we talked about, again, I get it. I know when you see the market sell off, I get it, guys. I 100% understand it. I know you want to see the market dump, and it's probably going to dump. But the market has to fit. The market is going to feel imbalances. And here's something that nobody will tell you about an imbalance. All it is a discount, right? That's all it is, right? If think about it like this, and this is how it makes sense in my brain. I don't know if it's true or not, right? But I'm gonna give you an analogy, and hopefully it works out. The thing that I look at in regards to this area, you can call it a fair value gap, you can call it an imbalance, you can call it whatever you want. You know what I call it? The market's an auction, right? Which means that the market's trying to facilitate price to buyers and sellers, right? That's what the market's trying to do, right? If the market's trying to do that, then all this is a discount, right? Before, if everybody wasn't involved, meaning, let's say regional, like Wells Fargo, Bank of America, they all sold their position, right? But regional bank was like, hey guys, I didn't get a chance to sell. Can you bring price back up? Then guess what? Bank of America is going to be like, yeah, bro, we got you. Like we got plenty more we can buy for our quota this year, right? We'll just take this retirement fund. We'll keep buying this. We'll buy it here. We got plenty of money from all of these people. They're going to buy up at a discount, right? All of this price. And guess what? Everything they bought down here and down at lower prices, they're going to be looking to offload up here. Because now everybody's ready to sell, right? And if they offload up here, they're going to be looking to break through this low, right? Or they just say, no, we good. We're going to send this thing. So hope y'all looking at this chart in the Discord, man. I'm calling out some straight up fuego right now. You still long, Valdez? Yeah, I'm about to say you probably still long. You like, we over here eating, baby. It's too much. My man. Let's go.
Dang.
Let's go.
ES is easting right now too. I'm hoping for a pullback though.
Mm-hmm. That's it. They were just sweeping out. Yep, they was just trying to sweep out weekends. There was no doubt in my mind that we were going long. I was just having technical difficulties getting the entry that I wanted. I was like, let me just stop before I mess around and blow this account with technicals. Yeah, this was the money. This was the money right here. I should have took this one on my funded too, but this was the money right here. I just retired my fundeds for the day. I was like, Top Step giving out free accounts. I'm gonna go over here. This was a banger right here, but that's all good. Now we know that the market, is doing its thing. Woo. Kill count. Malcolm says, hi guys, I'm learning to also read the market in terms of imbalances or the inefficiencies as ICT teaches. Discounted premium is what it's about for the big boys. Yep, that's it. They literally just want to get discount prices. That's it. Once you understand that, like nothing else matters to me. Like I read the book because it helps me get confirmation, but sometimes the book confuses me in making me believe that the market's going to go bearish just because of certain things that I see. So I try to like eliminate the book from my thesis until I'm ready to use it, right? My thesis is built off market structure. That's it, right? Everything else is noise to me until I'm ready to trade, right? So 33 was the entry. I should have put a limit order right there. Woo! Shit.
Oh, I use VWAP.
Oh, Justin uses it. I just don't use it. Yeah, this is also that high that we put in right at 738. I think we're gonna rip right by it though.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah. NQ was a lot better. And not better price action, but it held the bullishness way better than ES did. Because ES sold off, and we finally bottomed out. Now we're pushing. Dang.
All right, so now we're looking to potentially short the market up at 807. That's where I think we're trying to go to. So if we pull back, I'll continue to get in. I'll continue to long the market. If we pull back into 695, but the market wants to just rally straight up, I'm looking to short it at the 807.75. 807.75 through roughly about 868. That's 2 days in a row where we called the bottom on the shop. So hopefully you guys have taken notes or paying attention. Market structure is A1. I got in on the 9:42 a.m. Eastern candle on the 1 minute. Price for me is different since I'm on. Oh, okay. You're on Forex. Okay, let me look at the candle then. I got you. I'm tracking. 9:42 Eastern. Wait. Oh, this is still on UTC 6. Why does this thing keep switching? New York, stay there. Okay. 9:42.
You know why it might be switching? Because it might be your computer's probably set to
oh yeah, so every
Chicago
time I switch,
time.
Yeah,
So
you're
it's
probably
gonna keep
right.
switching you regardless.
Oh, nice. You got in at 3.6. That was right off that red line. Good call, man. I mean, good trade, brother. Good trade. Nice.
Oh,
My target is 807.75 as well. Let's fill that. Yeah, that's what I think. I think we come back and fill that imbalance, go into premium price, head towards supply, go into resistance, retest the 50%, go back to the previous day low, whatever. We're going there, right? Like that's the way I look at it. Like I don't care what you use. We're going there. That's where I think price is headed. And that's where I want to short it. Or if we pull back on the way, I'll get long. And my area to get long is right here at 697. So that's where I'm looking to get long. That was a nice, beautiful rip out of there. Beautiful, baby. It's beautiful. Beautiful.
oh, look at this selling though.
Mm-hmm.
We're getting rejected at a high of day for ES.
Oh, ES only is moved to higher day.
Yeah, but high of day on ES is
ES hasn't gone anywhere.
ES's high of day is a lot.
Okay. Yes,
we
it has.
started by pushing. We started by pushing up. That's what I'm saying. It looks different. We started by pushing up, and then we came down, and we kept selling off. You guys have just been floating equally, and then you push straight up.
I see why we're speaking a little differently, because you guys' chart is completely different than ours.
Yeah,
completely different.
Yeah, if I would have been trading NQ, it would have been a little bit easier because NQ didn't really get that same sell off that ES got.
$683. What is this? 68650 is where I'm looking to trade here.
Yeah, if this fails, then I'm gonna try a short.
Yeah, I think we come back down to there. Does everybody understand how I got that level in the Discord? Oh, snap. Emmett is back in the building. What's going on, Emmett? Welcome back, brother. Hope everything's good with you. I'll show you guys how I got that level in the Discord. I'll show it to you right quick. Let me see. Let me switch my screen here. Right there. All right. So remember, we always looking for the previous high and the previous low. We want to get like some type of we want to get the center of this entire push, right? So in order to find that, we need to find the most recent queen, right? Can you see my screen, Hustle for Life? Okay, sweet. So the most recent queen is right here. You see that? This is the most recent structure, right? Structural high, right? Before we came down and did all of this mess, right? So that's the most recent queen. And then this is the most recent low right here, right? So then all I do is I just take the fib and I go, because I'm looking at this entire area as basically just our range, right? So now I just take the fib and come all the way to the low point here. So I go from, I'm sorry, this is incorrect right here. I go from here, from this high to this low, where all of the buying started, right? So from here to here puts me in the center, which is right here. Therefore, this is fair value for price because it's at 50%. Remember, price likes to get a discount. They always want to get a discount. So our job as traders is to find the discount. And that's a way you can find the discount, right? And it's usually identified by structure. See that? This is a very nice structural low. It's a rally-based rally candle. It's got a nice basing candle. If you go down to the 5 second, you'll see that the basing actually happened. It just happened on a smaller time frame, right? So you can see that we pushed up and then we based down, we pushed up, and then we had this consolidation, right? When we broke the high, came back down, retested the low, and then we pushed. See that? Yeah. So once you understand that part of it, and that's why I try to explain it to you guys or teach it to you guys on a higher time frame, because it's easier to understand on a higher time frame. But if you learn it on a higher time frame and you apply the same rules on the lower time frame, you'll be good to go, 100%. So it's just all at that point. It's just all about being patient and just waiting on your rules to hit. Right now, Justin's looking for shorts, and for good reason, because it looks like price is kind of basing out potentially to go back down and retest the low, or because we just broke a high, we're just consolidating to potentially push higher. So that's what he's waiting on. He's waiting to see which confirmation he's going to get. And right now it's looking like potentially we squeeze up here, but we'll see. Almost
short, but we'll see.
Oh, I thought you were going to wait for the confirmation. Are you on NQ or ES?
Yes.
Yeah, he's looking at. Yeah, he's like, yeah, I'll shut up.
I mean, it could potentially go higher. I don't know.
I just usually just wait for that liquidity sweep of the high, and then we push down. But yeah, if I'm gonna short it, I need to see that sweep first. Almost got stopped out twice, LOL. But that demand candle, no, it did. What a damn good morning. It's been a great morning, man. I've been up since 2 a.m., y'all. 2 a.m. killing this market. Malcolm says, Hobbs, would you say NASDAQ is best trade on strategy, focusing on reversals, retracements, and retests on a daily at key zones? Here's what I'll say. I'll say that the NASDAQ gives you more opportunity to scalp it, but there is no best instrument. If you understand market structure, everything's a good instrument, right? Like, you just need volatility. That's it. If you check my Twitter post last night, or I don't know what time it was about it, I don't know, but if you check my Twitter post, just to prove it, I took the exact same trade on my Combine account with the same size on both ES and NQ. Now, because in ES, I would have needed to double my size because of the price action or the price movement per point. I would have needed to go to 4 minis. I wasn't doing that. But I traded 2 minis on ES and I traded 2 minis on NQ. The NQ contracts were up $450. And the ES contracts were up $250, and I took it all, right? But there's no difference in the price. Like, how price moved, there was no difference. There was no difference in why I was entering the trade, right? The only difference is preference at that point. It's just preference. Chicago Sean says entry on 2624, took profit at 725 NQ. I'm done for the day. Let's go. Ha ha! Let's get it. Red line for the win, baby. Hey, everybody getting their entries down here at 3-3, bro. All I ask is for you guys to keep showing up every day. You know what I mean? We're going to keep throwing out these bangers. You know what I'm saying? Y'all keep showing up every day. Help the channel grow. Tip the barbers. And if you do use Apex, please use the discount code that's scrolling across the banner. Right? And if you're interested in learning more and getting more one-on-one time with myself and Justin, we do have a Discord link in the description, right? Or if you just want to support the channel, you don't need a lot of help, right? You just want to, help support us because we ain't making no money from doing this. We just here. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to help support us, drop some of them profits, drop it on the Discord, $40 a month. K-Rain says, what's up, pimps? What's going on, K-Rain?
What's up,
I thought
K-Rain?
the 50 retracement came from the low out of the zone, like you have, but to that last valid high in the green zone. Okay, so check this out. Think about it like this. This low right here is more valid, in my opinion, or I shouldn't say more valid. Here's what I'll say. This low right here broke this high, right? You see that? Therefore, this is a switch in order flow, right? This is a change in order flow. This low caused a change in order flow shift. This shifted the order flow. Therefore, this previous high, right, and this previous low, yes, you could use that. But I know where price is trying to go. So I'm focused on this high and I'm focused on this low, right? I don't care about this because this order flow was discontinued, in my opinion, once we broke this high right here, right? So let me scribble that up. This order flow is no longer in existence in my brain, right? I'm looking right. I'm not looking left. I'm only looking left for the high. This high brought in this order flow. Therefore, this high, once it was broken, and once we held this low, order flow shifted from here, right? It's all coming from here, but this is the low that actually caused the break. So that's why I'm using that. Now, that could be, maybe not the exact way that Dave teaches it, but this is the shop, right? Like Dave has his channel, Dave has his Discord, and I respect everything he does, but I'm teaching Dave, and I've always been very, very clear about this, right? Like, and I'm never going to waver, right? What Dave added to my growth is very much respected, and I will always reference him. But the way I understand price and the way that I understand market structure is not completely different from Dave. It's just little nuances that I knew worked better for me that I added to what Dave teaches, right? But it's all based off market structure. And in his own words, I don't care what you do, as long as it's based off market structure. That's exactly what I'm doing. So just to clarify, I'm not mimicking everything Dave does, right? I want to make that very, very clear. I'm offering my own thought process behind market structure. And if you when you get to my Discord, if you come to the Discord, everybody in there trades differently. Everybody in there does, right? And I don't care because I'm not building a university, right? And no shot at Dave. That's not the atmosphere that I want. This is the trader shop. I want community. I want, real conversations. I want family atmosphere, right? I want you to feel like when you come to the shop, not only are we going to learn and make some money together, right, based off market structure the right way, but I also want to talk to you, right? I also want to get personable. When you go into the VCs, nobody's muted. Everybody can talk. Everybody can talk to me right now, right? Like that's rare in Discords. I know every Discord that I went to, you had to be muted. It's like, bro, like I want to be personable with people. Like I run the shop, right? Like I don't run, I don't know. I guess for me, I don't look at people as students. I look at them as community members. That's it. So just to be clear. Okay. So let me get back to these comments. Are you long, Jay, or are you still short?
Nah, I got stopped out. Oh man. I feel like shorts want to come in, but
don't force it, man. Just wait for the change in order flow. Just wait for price to break a low, right? Every time you're shorting, we haven't at least on NQ. I haven't seen ES, but I assume it's the same, right?
Man, we're just struggling to break above the
Yeah, it'll tell you. There's no reason. There's no reason to force it. You're trying to
I'm
force
not
the
forcing
shorts,
nothing.
but there's no reason to. You got short probably on this candle right here, 49.79, 49.81, somewhere around there. And just because it was an aggressive candle, but that candle fell right back into structure. There's no reason to short there, in my opinion, and unless it's a quick scalp. So, but I thought the 50% retracement. Oh wait, I read that. Sorry guys. It's filling that 830 gap today. Yeah, it's coming up, man. We had it going up to 807. That's the next level I'm looking to short. Yeah, I scalped this until 5 a.m. this morning. Yeah, bro, I was killing this market. And I was literally in my bed. I opened up my eyes and I said, oh, we've come to my level. I said, bring that ass here, market. So yeah, I called all my levels in the Discord and I posted them on Twitter. So I don't want nobody to hear none of that hindsight stuff, right? Theoretically, let's say someone passed the 50K eval on Apex Trader in 2 days. Would they stop trading till the 7-day trading days required? No, you just trade one micro. So every single day, you just have to open and close a trade. I do that all the time, right? Every time I pass it too soon, I just go back and just open one micro at a time. There's no need to make any more money. It does nothing for you. So like the stream, they're dropping gems. Thanks, Doors. I appreciate you, brother. Got a long runner from 682. Let's get it. Bro, I was short this market, Micaiah, at 955. Like it was 17,955 this morning with 4 minis. My target was 818, but I couldn't hold. I bitched up. But I was dog walking this market, bro. I shorted it down. I think I made like 12. And then it came back up. So I shorted it again with three minis. And I made like another 12 or 14. Then I was just sitting there telling the Discord, I was like, I said, I'm really trying to go to bed, but I really think I'd be talking to myself because nobody be up at that time. But I'm sitting here and I'm talking to myself. I'm like, man, I should probably stop. I was like, but it's too easy. Like I can see the market too well right now. My wife's sleeping, my kids are, my son is sleeping in the bed because his sheets weren't dry. My cat's sleeping, and I'm just like, man, I should probably stop, but I couldn't. So I went back in and traded the market some more with 1 mini. I lost 2 trades, and then I won 2, got my money back, and then I was like, all right, skedaddle, we're done. We're done here. But I can't even trade the 100K account no more today. So that's how it should be. You can't carbon copy someone else's everything. Things different. Exactly. CJ with the cheese. Trust me, I'm not apologizing for nothing. I'm a man before I'm anything. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm just making sure that people understand, because a lot of people do come here from Dave Teaches FX, right? And then what they do sometimes, right? And I just want to make it clear, right? Sometimes what they'll do is they'll see me break down price, and it won't be exactly the same way that Dave would break down price based off his concepts. And so what they'll do is they'll try to nitpick the little things. And I'm like, bro, don't focus on the little things, right? Or if you want to, go for it. If Dave's telling you to focus on go for it. I'm not knocking him at all. This shit works, right? But the things that I'm changing, or not even changing, the little thing that I just did right there was a difference of about 10 points, maybe. But it puts me more in the area that I know based off supply and demand principles. I know that rally-based rally right there has a higher probability of attracting price for the same reasons why structure attracts price. I know that this rally-based rally right here is going to attract price, right? Just like this drop-based rally attracted price back to it, right? This area is going to be where price is going to want to come back to. But you see how we're slowing down? You see how we're ranging? You see how we didn't have any pullbacks? You see how ES is not moving up? This is a clear-cut sign that the market is about to slow down, and we're probably going to flush, right? Let's see what the VIX is doing in all of this. Yeah, see, the VIX is pushing up as well. So again, my level is 807. So what I want to see is something like this up here at 807. Now I have to invert this, so because you guys know I'm like, I don't know, what's it called? Dyslexic. So what I'm looking for now is I'm looking for price to push into this supply zone really aggressively, right? So what we usually see is something like this, right? We come up into the supply zone aggressively. We come back down, trap sellers. Then we come back up, put in a lower high, and then we go back down, right? This is what I'm looking for out of the market, right? If we can get something like that, then I'll be willing to trade it. But I'm not going to touch it until we come up here. We did not come up here as healthy as I would like. This is a very bullish. It's bullish, but it's bearish at the same time because there's no pullbacks. Like we didn't really build structure. We just basically fill in this gap, right? So this is what I'm looking for, something like this. All right. Sheesh.
What?
Be more transparent in my trades because I get asked a lot. How can I feel comfortable taking so many trades? And I'm always looking for trades at least 6 to 10 points, usually a 1-to-1, maybe a 1-to-2. But now I'm back and have time to reflect on my process. Where can I hold it longer? I don't trade. I don't work with the Dom, but I mean, I can always give you a class. Justin did a whole video on bookmap. Bookmap is order flow.
Yeah, the bookmap is the Dom, pretty much.
Pretty much, the Dom and bookmap are exactly the same. It's just the way that they illustrate price to you. That's all. The way that they illustrate order flow to you. All right, up here, guys, it looks like we're getting a break of structure here. Trying to break structure to switch order flow, right? So we got a break on the lower time frames. I guarantee it, right? But when we're this high, I want to make sure. I would much rather wait for price to push into this supply zone. So I'm going to be patient up here, but I'm definitely looking to trade up here.
Oh, you're waiting for price to get to 808?
Yeah, 807 to 725. I mean, this is a good area to potentially short it. But if we break below that white line right there and then we pop back up, then I'll look to short it right there. But I think what happens is a lot of times what we'll do is we'll break below. We'll fake out a bunch of sellers and then we'll push back up really aggressively. I want to trade that exhausting move. You know what I mean? Sweep the lows, and then sweep the high. That's what I'm looking for. But I mean, this is a good scout though. So I like that. I don't care what you do as long as it's based on market structure. 100%. I got that from Dave. You know what I mean? Like that's my dog, man. I F with him.
Another sweep.
Clear this news candle. Yeah, they're trying to eat it all the way up. So at 8:31 Eastern, bar news bar, why you don't take consideration the top of that bar to measure for the 50%. 8:31 Eastern, the new bar. Oh, because that's a different order flow. That's a good question. So you're talking about, if we go back, you're talking about this candle right here, 8:30 Eastern candle. This candle brought new order flow, right? Like it brought. All right, how can I explain this? All right, so every time we see a drop right here, right? This basing candle right here is a new high, right? This is a high, but it brought this low. This is a new high because it brought this low. This is a new high because it brought this low. This is a new high because it brought this low, and so on and so forth, right? The reason why I don't take this aggressive candle into consideration because I'm only focused on the candle, the high that brought this order flow. Right?
Oh my God.
What?
Just these buyers, they are really trying.
So this is the order flow right here, right? This is the order flow that was brought by this high right here. So I don't care about this candle yet. I don't, right? This is basically a manipulation, I shouldn't say manipulation. This is just an aggressive sell candle that doesn't have any structure. So there's no need for me to care about it until we come all the way up here. The reason why I'm caring about this candle is the reason why I want to short up here, because this guy, right? This queen right here is the master of all of this price action, right? If we put her underwater, then this price action becomes irrelevant, right? But this guy is the reason for this price action, right? But he was anointed by this person. I hope this scribble makes sense. I feel like Dave in here, but it's necessary, right? Because once you see it, you're not going to unsee it. I promise you that. Once you start to see it and you really start to get it, it's going to look like scribble because there's so many things and nuances that go on that I posted on my Twitter page. I said, they say that a genius writes in scribble, but once you can decode what he's trying to tell you, it's gold. Right? I'm not saying that Dave is a genius. I'm saying that what he created and how he sees the market is freaking genius, right? It's a cheat code, in my opinion, right? So once you can decode it, once you understand it, you can apply it to everything that you use. There's no need to fight about, does ICT work? There's no need to fight about supply and demand. Does it work? The tape, the order flow, the DOM. Who cares? As long as you understand price action and market structure, all of it can work. 100%. NQ trends way better than ES historically. So when a move starts on NQ, it'll likely continue versus ES will chop you up or move slowly. It just depends on the day, right? NQ moves better than ES. We all know that, like in regards to the distance traveled. But when ES gets going, I mean, you can make the same money. You just have to size up. You just have to put more size on. That's all. Cut my runners here. Yeah, I think we push up one more time into 807 is what I want to see. Yeah, I messed up last night, man. There was a rip to the upside that smoked me around 11 p.m. or so. I played the whole night and made everything back and did something. Oh yeah, me too, bro. I wasn't down, but yeah, I was killing last night. Like I said, I took a few losses, but the losses that I took were like 1 mini each. Good morning, Southern Smoke. Let's get this money. You already know. Any recommendations for brokers that allow you to trade Forex during the week and crypto during the weekend? I'm done with Hugo Sway. I don't trade Forex. I never have. Not saying that I will or I never will, but I've never traded Forex. So I don't know. I guess my only question would be, why wouldn't you just trade futures? Just curious. It's about being comfortable with what you understand, and anyone teaching should understand that. Yeah, 100%. And Dave, look, Dave rubs me as the person that if he had a problem with what I was doing, he just called me and tell me. And I don't see a problem with anything that I'm doing. So if he did call me, I'd just ignore it. I'd be like, oh, okay, cool story, bro. I'm gonna keep doing what I'm doing. If all you had to do was carbon copy, then everyone would be winning. Exactly. All right, we're getting that retest and rejection down here. Maybe we dump before 807, but I'm gonna wait for potential push of 807. If we get going though, I guess I'll take a retest. 791-850 was a 4-hour supply I had from last night. We're retesting that area previous. Support becomes resistance. 4-hour supply from last night.
Okay, sellers.
All right, let me see.
Oh yeah, I think I did flush down.
I think I deleted the whatchamacallit. I think I deleted all my supply zones that I had. Let's see what this 4-hour candle has to say about things in regards to 50. Yeah, we're way over 50.
Oh my god. Yeah, these buyers do not want to go up this low. We might push higher. If we can't give up this low.
Are you short?
Yeah. I've been short for a little minute now.
Word.
But I've been struggling to break the low. And I think if we can't break this low this time, with the amount of selling that just hit the tape right there, we're probably coming back up.
I think we get a liquidity sweep here. We sweep that low and then pop right back up and sweep the high.
Well, we already swept the high. We already swept the high once. We could sweep it again though.
Oh yeah, I see it. I see it.
If this doesn't fail, if this fails, then I'm getting out. If this, because that was a sweep right there, and we had a whole bunch of selling. So this should continue. If it doesn't, then I'm out.
Are you on ES or NQ?
ES.
I just wanted to make sure we were speaking the same language.
This needs to break all of this.
Uh, 791-850. Yeah. I think I had a previous supply from last night as well. I think it was like the 15-minute supply that we built that I shorted off of too. A low was just broken on the 1 minute, so we're about to consolidate or drop. Yep, exactly. That's what we did right there, Storis. Oh yeah, we're looking real bearish. We're breaking that low. I just want to see us come up one more time.
Yeah, who you telling?
Yeah, I do too. I want higher prices, but if it drops, I don't care. Like I'm so far up on the day, I could care less. Just close my position for 1 to 6 risk reward. Hey, kill count stores. Good job, brother.
Dang.
Done for the day unless I see another higher time frame supply demand zone set up. Let's get it. Yeah, that's kind of where I'm at with it too. Justin's
loaded some more buys right there, so we could get a pullback here. I'm up 4 points. I'm gonna deleverage. Yeah, ES is coming down.
Here,
It's
let
trying
me pull
to.
up his let me pull up ES's chart here so we can. Oh yeah, ES is trying to break that high. We got that. I mean, we're kind of break below that low and close. No. You can say whatever you want, G. Like I may not use it, but I understand EMAs. I literally used to have a channel in the chat where when the 1348 crossed on like 30 different time frames, you got an alert. So trust me, I understand EMAs more than you know. Yeah. I agree. Sometimes you'll see some of my posts in my TraderVate. I'll leave the 9 EMA up, right? You'll see. No. I sometimes use it to babysit my trades, right? So if the 9 EMA is up there, like it makes me feel more comfortable if we're continuously rejecting the 9 EMA. But once I started to realize that the 9 EMA was just pulling back into structure, I was like, oh, okay. So
come on, sellers, sell.
You know, NQ's already down from that level, already down 50 points.
Yeah, ES is down
60 points. Sorry.
Almost 10 points from where we rejected. I'm up 4, but man. We got to hold here.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold for higher prices. That was that first break right there. That was the low that I wanted to see us break right there. 736, and we broke 763. I like everything about this trade. I just want to see us sweep the high. I want to see us come up one more time, super aggressive into that supply zone. I want to see that liquidity tapped right there. That's what I'm looking for. And then on ES, I just want to see them retest 49. I want to see them retest or push into 49.8650 on ES. That's where I would be looking to short on ES.
Yeah, hopefully this is not a pullback. Hopefully this is the sell-off, but we'll see. Let me just go to break even where I can't lose.
All right. All of these pullbacks are getting sold back into, so at least on NQ. All right. Chat. I honestly don't even feel like trading. I traded so much from 2 to like 7 o'clock in the morning. Like I don't want to ruin my vibes today. I'm like, I'm so hesitant to trade. I'm like, yeah, whatever. This is true love for real. LOL. Yeah, man. I tried.
I'm taking something from my troubles. Come on, let's get a rejection here.
Thank you. Ain't no problem, Lou. Like I said, man, it's the shop, man. Welcome to the shop, bro. Like it's just like I said, I just see a lot of emotional people on social media, and I don't have time for that shit. I'd much rather just, keep a cool vibe. You know what I mean? Like we chill, we kick back, we make money together, we talk about the market. Y'all enjoy this free session. You know what I'm saying? For the next year, we got a whole coming. We got a whole year to spend with each other. You know what I mean? Like after a year, I'm going private. Like it is what it is. Y'all can join me or don't. It is what it is.
Dump here.
My dad plays it. I think he's
this is where I need to see it dump. I think it's a retest of all these wicks and stuff. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping for this a retest of it being all them wicks up there where the buyers were stepping up.
All of that consolidation is being retested up there.
Yeah, and then us coming right back down, which is what it looks like it's happening. Hopefully.
Yeah, Micaiah, I like your long potentially, but we're still in that downtrend. You know what I mean? So like, if you're gonna get long, you need to be out by the time we hit the base of that consolidation, if we even make it up there. Yeah, I want the market to push up so I can get an entry, because I think we're gonna push higher first, and then we're gonna tap inside of that liquidity.
Yeah, we're definitely like we're about to push higher. I just don't want to sit through another pullback. It's gonna stop me out here. Yeah, okay.
Oh, these buyers out. Oh, they coming, baby. They coming. Man. I gotta get my rest because I gotta play London and Tokyo on Friday, right? We got PPE on Friday, PCE or something like that. I think we got PPE on Friday. Nope. Count me out. I'll be in London. I'm going in the future. Anytime we got big news, the what's worked for me is getting up and trading the Tokyo or the London session. Like, I feel like price action is just as volatile, but it usually chooses one direction in London. If you traded London, it was a 200-point move to the downside from like 2 o'clock in the morning to, I think it was 300 points. It was 300 points. We moved 300 points from London to New York session open, 300 points to the downside. And we're here on New York trying to freaking chop our way up for 100 points, man. Man. Bet. It's looking juicy. Man, if gold is pushing up, that means I think this is my level. Wait a minute. Why is this not level? Okay, hold on. Am I on the 1 minute or the? Oh, okay, it's the 1 minute. All right. Sorry, I'm trying to add this same. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Eat. I'm trying to add this same level on my Top Step X account. Oh, I'm definitely looking to short NQ. I'm just setting it up.
Yeah, I'm looking to re-add into the short here if we start getting some selling.
Yeah, we're looking very, very bullish on the tape, which is exactly what I want to see. Oh, yeah, reuse zones or have been tapped already. It depends on how aggressively they've been tapped. Like, usually, I think Justin cuts them after like a 50% tap. I usually go like 70%. Or
I'll let them stay till they break.
Yeah. Usually with me, like for a news candle, like we got today, if it wicks through a news candle, then I won't close it. But if it closes full body like this one did, yeah, it's done. It's cooked. I just wait for new zones to occur. Otherwise, you'll just have a whole bunch of overlapping stuff on your chart. You know, you got to get rid of them. Recently, I deleted all my zones. Like I had zones from like October, and I just hit delete on everything. I was like, I don't even need this. Like I just don't. I'm only looking to trade the price action that occurs for the week or the, you know what I mean, or that day.
Yeah, they just threw a whole bunch of orders below 40, 49.80. I think they're trying to spook this market.
VIX is at 1550. 1550 right now. So the VIX is headed into a rejection area right now, which doesn't bode well for my thesis here. I gotta be honest. It's not really looking good if VIX rejects here.
All right, I'm in short here.
Okay.
Of course, immediately gets bucked back up.
Yeah, you're buying those flashes. You're not waiting for the break of liquidity, man. We're not breaking structure at all.
There's no liquidity to break.
Not liquidity, I meant structure. We're still in an uptrend right now. We're at the high, but we just put in a higher low right there. So if a candle closes in the zone, you get rid of it. No. Let's say the zone is let's say that to make it easier, let's say the zone is 30 points, right? If the candle closes outside of those 30 points, then the zone is done for me. But if it closes at like 5 points inside of the zone, like, no, it's still a good zone. Because think about how a zone is formed. It's like a layer, right? It's a layer of liquidity, right? And that's why we use the tape, because we can see those zones, or we can see the liquidity that's there. The zone is formed because there's limit orders inside of every layer at every point at every tick, right? So if you get rid of a zone just because it tapped one candle, it literally only tapped into one layer of the liquidity. So the zone's still good. It's just the zone was strong enough that there was enough buyers at the top of the zone to push us back up, and enough interest from aggressive buyers to continue pushing us back up. So check it out. Almost up there. They're moving that liquidity up at 780, which usually means that they're going to allow price to push through 780. We're almost up to where I want to trade, and we're getting that look that I really wanted to see. We broke that low right there, and now I'm looking for, we swept the low, so now I'm looking just for a sweep of the high up there into 807. That's where I'm looking to trade. Almost there. You either with me or against me, oh. Hey. All right. Don't fail at this high right here. Just don't do it. Don't fail at this low. Don't do it. Just keep going. You know you want to keep going. Let me stretch this out, son. Let's go, baby. Let's go. You always wait till we get to the top of the trend. You be like, yeah, let me get this low, right? That's like, that's hustle. Yeah, hustle for life. Always wait till we get into the yeah, you be like, yeah, you have been quiet in the mud. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna just take. You ain't finna rally no more. I'm getting this. Good trade, brother. Good trade. Good trade. Shoot, I didn't even take that trade. Whatchamacallit? Valdez took that trade. He killed it. I don't know if we're gonna make it up to 807, guys. This thing looks angry. I just want an aggressive sweep of liquidity, though. It looks, oh, it's very weak. They're definitely feeling their position. I just don't want it to. I don't want to buy into these little sweeps. You see how every time we come up, we having these little sweeps down. I don't want to buy. I don't want to sell into one of these. I'd much rather see buyers get caught off sides where we push up aggressively. We trap sellers down here, right? And we push up and we trap buyers up here, and then we go down to sell. That's what I'm waiting for. So I'm just trying to be patient. See, that's why I don't want to sell that, because every time I sell that, it's bad news bears. So I just wait. No, it's all good. I don't mind knowing that information. That's good information to know. This could be the short right here, guys. This is that lower high. You see that lower high on the tape right there? This could be the short right here. You can see it on the tape and on the 1 minute too. You can see that they're aggressively. Yeah, I got a little space on this account, but man, 5 second look. The 5 second be making you feel like you so late. The 5 second be like, bro, you was supposed to be in 6 points ago. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for what I've been waiting for. If it leaves without me, then F it. I'll trade the afternoon move, but I'll wait. It just feels like bait. It just feels like clickbait. Jay, we're in no man's land right now. Just gotta wait for price to hit another zone and see what the market structure does. Don't get chopped up. Yeah.
Well, we were at the preview, or we at the high of day. That's why I was trying to short the market, because we were at high of day. So on ES, not on NQ. If you're looking at NQ, it's a lot different. That's why
they're looking at both. When you took the short, we were looking at both. That's why I understand the double top up there, and I understood the high of day.
For high of day. So we ran high of day a couple times, got underneath it, broke some. Well, technically, I guess we didn't really break structure right there, so it was probably a mistake on my part, but it's okay.
Come on, I just really want to see that that exhaustive move from the buyers, where it's just like fuck it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want this to consolidate and then dump. Where's Yvonne at, man? What time is it, bro? What time is it? 10:15? Yeah, we got at least 15 more minutes before this thing pushes up. I mean, before this thing pushes down. Don't sell off here. Don't do it. No. Where'd that original seller come from? Let me go back and look at the tape here. Let's see what that looked like when he came into the market. Yeah, see, I want something a little bit bigger. I understand he's in the building, but I want a little bit more. Don't get Rick Road. Yeah, I was just gonna try to be patient, man. I'm just trying to wait this thing out. I'm still waiting on 807, man. If this thing flushes below here, if we get below 725, then it's gonna go without me. I'm not gonna chase it, but I'm looking right now on the tape at I'm looking to see how strong this selling was up here. Like, you see this seller right here? This is where he came into the market right here. You guys can see my screen, right? So we just popped back into that box and we got absorbed, but we didn't go lower, right? So I still think the market has a little bit more room to go higher, right? But if the sale's gonna come, if I'm gonna risk it, it needs to be in the 70s, right? Like, I'd rather get short up here. So, but if we get going to the downside, I'm gonna let the trade idea go. I was just wrong. That's all. But you can see the selling coming in here. I'm just late to this party. I'm not gonna risk it. If I put this trade on, I got to risk 20 points above the high, and I'm not going to do that. I'd much rather wait for price to push up. So. F it. You getting in short? I mean, like I said, you could. It's baiting you. I'm just not falling for it today. It could work out, and I think it's very, very valid to short the market. I just think shorting the market at the low of this move is asking for trouble, in my opinion. So I'll just wait. I'll be patient. All right, now that volume's trying to pick up here, the sell volume, but so is the buy volume too. So where's the VIX at in all of this? Yeah, the VIX is coming down, which means we should start to see some buyers step in. The tape looks so bearish right now. They are really trying to sell this thing off. They look super bearish right now, but it could just be somebody loading in a position before we go up and then go down. I think it's going to be a big move to the downside. I just might be missing the boat here, but aggressive selling coming into this market right here. You see that? Mm-hmm. This thing might be about to tumble here. Yeah, we might be about to Apollo Creed this joint. Yeah, I needed it in the 70s. To feel comfortable, I would have needed to be in the 70s. Yeah, it's about to come down. That's about to come down. Good trade, brother. Good trade, unless we pop up here, but there's no buyer stepping into the market yet. Mm-hmm. See how the buyers are getting absorbed. You see that little pebble of buying right there? It's like, yeah, shut up. It's like, shut up. Get back down. Yeah, that's a 20-point trade right there. Good job. Good job. Straight kill count, bro. It's crazy, bro. It's all you ever need. You don't really need no more. You don't need more. Mm-hmm. Make it make sense, bruh. Make it make sense. Take that money, bro. Take that bread. He said, yep, and here they come. Yeah. Here they come. Yeah. Ooh, they ate that buyer up. Oh, take your profit too soon. Oh. Yep. Yep. And it's like, dang. But you was willing to give back. Yeah. Yep. Micaiah says VWAP is at 734. 1 minute lower high, but we need to break that higher low first. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. I mean, well, that's not actually what I'm looking for. The sweep. I'm looking for price to sweep. If price doesn't sweep, I'm willing to let this trade pass me. If it does sweep, then I'm gonna take it. But I might have missed the sweep, and that's the only thing I'm concerned about right now. Is like I might have missed the sweep on that previous push up. But this is a double bottom down here. Let's see how the market reacts. No, I don't use VWAP, but yes, VWAP is definitely an area where price likes to react to. I just don't use it because I just like to focus on just the price action. I don't like to use VWAP as like a target. I don't like to use it as like my part of my thesis, nothing. I just focus on just clearly price action. Boxes, lines, and the Fibonacci retracement is basically all I use. But yes, you're right. VWAP does act like a target for price 100%. And the reason why is because it's magnet. Yeah, like a magnet, right? Like it's basically just an equilibrium for price, right? So as much as I want this liquidity sweep, these buyers need to get going, man. Oh, Hustle, can you mute your mic, sir? No, it's the button down in the bottom. Are you on your computer or are you on your phone? If you're on your phone, it's in the bottom left. Oh, you're muted now. You got it. Looks like price is refusing to move lower. So if you're in short, potentially deleveraging here might not be a bad idea. Nice. Yeah, I want shorts, but I want them higher. They're just taking a sweet time. Are you short or long, Jay?
I'm nothing.
Oh, you flat? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because I'm looking at ES, guys, and right now ES is actually pushing up, which leads me to believe that NQ's going to move up here soon as well.
Yeah,
I might get what I want. Again. Yeah, ES is already breaking above its high, and it's pushing into that 49 whatever level that was. That little, you see that supply zone to the left, Jay? That queen, that high, that swing high over all the way to the left. It's nice little supply zone target for price right there.
Something like at 90.
I think it's 90. Yeah, I'm looking at the StreamYard stream. Let me look at it over here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, so what I'm looking for is for you're talking about NQ, right? Yeah, I know. Yeah, so yeah, if we can't break back above 74, we should be good to continue. But just remember, the trend is bullish right now, right? So what you're doing, if you're shorting, it's okay. You're shorting against the trend, but understand you're shorting against the trend, right? The overall trend, the overall trend is the origin is from 644, right? So right now, the queen from down there is controlling all of this, but the queen up at 788 is in control of the current downtrend order flow, right? From 688 down to 728. That's the order flow right now. That's the order flow that's being facilitated right now. But based off where ES is, NQ may push up higher. But if ES rejects here at 4986, which it's trying to do, if you can see my screen down here where this red box is, this is where ES is trying to reject, which would lead me to believe that NQ is probably going to dump up here. I might actually take this. Oh, dang. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Come on.
Yeah, I am too. It might bake all of our asses, but I'm willing to bet it's not. In the next 45 minutes to an hour, NQ will pop up and fill that gap finally. That's what I think. But I'm in short now, just based off what ES did up there. But if ES is not going to continue, I'm going to get out of the trade. I thought we could front run it. As long as we stay below that high right there, we should continue down. We're facilitating this order flow here. We just broke a high and retested the low. Just come on down, baby. Don't like this. Don't like it.
Yeah, we're still pushing. 4290 or 4990 on ES has a lot of liquidity.
Yeah, ES NQ's looking like it wants to push too. I'm gonna stay in and take the little 100-point hit or 100 points, $100 hit. It's already, yeah, it's definitely looking like it wants to stay inside of this uptrend here. Probably a poor entry right there. Let's see.
This is a bull flag, Makai? You think? Nah. Kind of, I guess. What, NQ? Oh, yeah. I can see that on NQ.
Yeah, I'm still in the shorts, just barely. God, they almost got me. It pushed right back down as soon as it got to my stop. Woo! Come on, come on. Oh, don't do it. Don't do it, girl. Come on, push down. All right, that was a really good rejection. Now we just need to break the low. Yeah, we needed. She needed to come down right now because I don't like that. Like, just come on. Yeah. I'm about to get real close to price right now because that was too much for my blood. I was like, hey. Yeah, I'm at 4 points now, so I'm comfortable. Risking 4 points to go to wherever it wants to go. I don't even have a target. All right. That was scary, man. That was a pretty intense trade. That was like a tick away from my stop right there. All right, if we can, yeah, I was about to say if we can break this low, we really should be good. I want to go to break even, but I need to see this low break first. If not, I'll take the little $40 hit. The risk is getting smaller and smaller. Oh, calm down, Bird. Calm down, G. What are you doing? What are you doing, NQ? What? No! Come on, man. Oh, stopped out.
Good, Pippy. How's it going, my guy?
What's up, Pippy? Oh, is Pippy in the building? What's going on, Pippy?
Mm-hmm.
My guys, what's good? Oh, man, we chilling, bro. We chilling. I took a little bit of an early entry right there. I should have waited on what my strategy was to look for is a little bit of a sweep here. Was getting a little bored, but no big deal. I deleveraged, lost about $40 on the trade. No big deal. But ultimately, I'm looking for a push into 807.75. I'm just going to be patient and wait for that because market's playing games right now at this level. Took our freaking liquidity and probably going to continue down to the downside. You mother lover. Yeah, they got. Hey, nah. If they got me, they about to. If they got me, they about to come get you next. Don't you worry. I was about to say, if they got me, they coming for you next. You're next. Double top. No. Why deleverage when we came down the first time? So this is crazy. That's what happened to me on the way back up. Was your entry 4.6 or 4.7? Yeah, that's what my entry was too. I got in at 4. I just got back in at 4.7, so I got a better entry this time. Well, 4.675 is my entry right there. Chill out, man. Chill out. Let us get past the double bottom, okay? Then you can start talking stuff. Oh my God, you're jinxing us.
Oh, this is actually looking. This is actually looking good for you guys. This is like a failed breakout of
it's
this.
Definitely a fail, but
no. I mean,
stay down.
I mean, a failed bull flag. That's like really bearish.
Oh, okay, got you. Yeah. Just come on down, man. Just stop playing, man. Quit playing with us right now, bro.
Oh my God.
What? What is that?
Maybe
what is that candle, bro? What is that candle? We about to get yeeted, bro. We about to get yeeted. Oh no.
Never mind. Micaiah was right. Damn.
Yo, what was that? What was that? Give my $3. Give my $3. I closed it for $250. Let's go. Give my $250. I was like, I don't want no part of this candle, bro. Whatever is going on in this candle, I don't want no smoke. I'm good. That was a death candle, bro. Somehow I snuck out of there in profit. I have no idea how. I'm good. We gonna play games like that. Dragonfly Doji, yeah, pretty much. On the 1 minute, yeah. We
about to go.
I just waited right there. I didn't panic sell because I knew it was coming for me. I was just like, I'm just gonna wait till I'm back in profit or break even, and I'm gonna cut it. As soon as I got up like $2.50, I was like, all right, I'll take it. Yeah, we got cooked. I'm gonna just wait, man. I knew I should have just waited. It came up so fast. Bro, it came down so fast, bro. I wonder, can you do bracket orders?
No. I haven't figured it out.
Oh, you know what? You don't need to because you can bracket them right away.
You can see what you the good thing about Top Step X is you can see how much you're risking.
Yes. Yeah, they trying to come down again, bro. They trying to come on down. They playing games.
I knew they was gonna do that.
Hey, y'all some bitches. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done with this section. Whatever this section is gonna do, y'all can have it. I don't want no smoke with this area, bro. Whatever they he said target, I'm out. Whatever they spoken down there at 33, bro. Like this buyer down here is really not trying to give up this section. I don't know.
I guess I got an extra account by accident because they're not refunding me. They said they're not going to refund it, which is dumb, but whatever.
Yeah, bro. You gotta be careful, man. You gotta be careful.
Yeah, it was a mistake. It's fine. I'm just gonna cancel it.
Why are you gonna cancel it?
Because I paid $50 for it, so I'm gonna cancel it so I don't get charged $50 next month.
Oh,
I'm still
okay,
gonna trade it, but
you mean like you're not gonna trade it. You're not gonna
I'm not gonna re-up it.
Yeah, I got you. Adam Short's looking over there, guys. Adam Short's looking. I'm waiting on it. We're stuck right now. We are freaking gridlocked. I dig it.
Top Step X is okay. I like it. I like how you can see the orders, like how much money you're risking and stuff like that. So you know how much money you're gonna lose and how much money you're gonna gain, instead of like on Tradeovate how you can't do that. That's probably the best part about Top Step X, honestly. I don't think you can bracket orders on Top Step X though. I don't think that's a thing.
I mean, you technically can. You just can't bracket them as soon as you buy it. Like it won't bracket as soon as you hit the buy button.
Yeah,
you just gotta go back and bracket them later.
Yeah, you can't pre-bracket it.
Yeah. Right now we're just as far as price goes right here. I think for me the reason why I was looking to short it is because I was expecting a break of this area, right? And on the tape, it looks so there's so much selling going on down here. But I think we're getting the same type of thing that we got down here at these lows. Where we just absorbing the selling right inside of this range in order to go higher. We're just supporting this buyer right here, right? So I think the thing to do was to look for buys down here, not sales. But I was expecting this to drop. So that was kind of more like what I think would happen versus what I see is happening, right? So but at the same time, I managed my risk well, right? Like there was no major damage done there. I knew it was a riskier trade. And this candle was like confirming like, hey, leave the sales alone. You know what I mean? So, but my area that I actually want to short this market is up here at 807. But this was a very, very bullish push. This is probably going to look similar to this push right here. What a candle. Gee. Short me if you want to, is what Marcus said. Like, all right, you want to short down here. All right, bet. Yeah. Yeah, that was a nice signal. 41 is clean.
Yeah. I think I don't know. I think we may run up to 44,990 on ES. And we're in this like
he's going for it.
Like let me see where NQ. Oh, NQ's trying to break out of that bull flag, but ES looks so different.
Mike Holmes said, man, it's ugly. Finish positive. Walking away. Hey, I've been there, bro. I've been there. Sorry, that was me buying. Yeah. Thanks, Micaiah. Thanks for taking my liquidity there, sucker. That's it. Get that flag, Bulls. Mario, that shit. Don't. All right, Micaiah. Bet. We coming for you next time. You just make sure you out of those shorts by high noon. All right. I'm hungry, man. I'll be right back.
Yeah, I think I don't know. I'm looking at NQ. NQ looks like it wants to rally, but we'll see. That fake out was dirty. That's it. Get that bull flag. I don't know. I think we're coming down though. I still like shorts, but I don't know. Here comes more selling. More selling getting absorbed. I think Hobbs is going to miss his short. He doesn't come back. So now we're just consolidating. You missed the short, we're dumping. I'm playing. Here we go.
Market in full send mode.
Nah. Probably gonna go tap 90. What do we come down to? Yeah, this is the buying I want to see at these highs.
Are you long?
Mm-mm.
Or you want to see this buy and fail? Yeah, I like this right here. Think about taking a short here at 54.
Ooh.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
But then there's a big buyer who just filled his position right there. Let's see what happens.
There's just no follow through. I know they want to dump this. I'm gonna take my little $90. I shorted 56.
So on ES, we have like a rising wedge, and it's getting tighter and tighter, and price is definitely staying in this wedge right here. This is what I'm watching, because we're just moving up. We're moving up on a lot of buying, but it's slowing down.
I shorted 56, got out at the low right there for $92. It was 46, 90, 40, 45 or something I got out. I don't know. I can't see the entries on here. It's weird. Probably a way to turn those on.
Yeah, I wish I could see the entries as well.
Well, you ever went into the kitchen and found out you had like some food that you forgot about? We bought pizza the other day, and my wife bought 2 meat lovers pizzas, and I only eat the meat lovers pizza. But I forgot that there was a whole nother pizza left, and I just found out.
Oh, bro,
That's
fire. You can they have copy trading built into
oh yeah. You
into
know
the platform. I did not know that. You can make an account, the leader account, and you can show
You can only copy trade their accounts.
Yeah, in the Top Step X, yeah.
It's the same thing as Tradebit.
No, I know, but it's a lot easier though.
You took it long, Hustle? Let's go. Yep, that was clean. We're just navigating up, guys. If you want a short or long, well, if you want a long, I think the longs are going to last longer because we're in an uptrend. But I'm just shorting every time we come up to these highs. Like, it's easy money. Well, well, you got to take the one that you feel most comfortable in, right? You're like, yeah, this one will work. Or you could short the highs or you could long the lows. In an uptrend, you want to long the lows, though, right? Where Justin's drawing that wedge. I think we're just taking our time getting up to 807, which is where I think we're trying to go. Because if the VIX pulls back into 1.0 or 1.4, this thing's going to rocket ship back up. Bro, I'm telling you, it don't take much, bro. Don't take much. You just got to be confident in what you're doing. You eating cold pizza? No, I warmed it up, Stores. Don't at me, bro. I warmed up
the pizza in my fridge, too. That's cold.
I forgot about it.
I like cold pizza.
It's because you're a terrorist. That's why you like cold pizza.
I think cold pizza tastes just fine. I like pineapple on my pizza too.
Pineapple on my pizza, please. My son likes pineapple on his pizza, but he's from Cali. He has an excuse. What's yours?
I like Hawaiian pizzas.
All right. Yeah, I think we could bounce at 58, so be careful. Yeah, there's a sweep of 58. Pop right back up. Yeah, it took that. You see that liquidity on the 15 second? It took that liquidity, reacted to that liquidity, and now it's trying to come back down. So we're definitely gonna, in my opinion, this definitely looks like we're setting up to sell off. Like that definitely is what this looks like right now. So I'm just waiting to get the signal. The game on signal, baby. Game on.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting on too. I think we're about to sell off too. But...
Oh yeah, this is looking more and more like this is a real effing sell off coming. I just want to see one more big rally out of the market. It's just trying to wait us out, baby. Wait us out. I'm willing to wait. I'm willing to wait. Pineapple does not go on pizza. Hey, thank you, bud. I don't even want it. I don't even want to talk about it.
Pineapple 100% belongs on pizza. Just because you don't like it doesn't mean it don't belong there.
Store says
I don't think onions or veggies belong on pizzas, but I bet you like veggies. They're gross.
I like black olives. That's it.
That's disgusting.
That's not weird.
That's disgusting. Those don't belong.
But you don't eat anything, so
I do.
I'm not a terrorist here. Don't turn me into a terrorist.
I don't eat anything, but yet somehow I'm still alive. Huh.
Yeah, well, if you're that dumb to think that that's what I meant by that, then go for it.
I don't eat anything.
If your brain is that small to believe that that's what that sentence meant, then I guess I should probably have a different conversation.
That's what you said.
Or you don't eat anything. Oh, okay, yeah, I'm sure that's what I meant by that.
I don't eat anything. Nothing at all. Okay. I'm not an eater.
Do I put it in the microwave or the oven? Well, when I'm on the stream and I'm trying to come right back, microwave. But when I'm off the stream and I really want to heat it up, I actually put it in the air fryer. Because it's like there's like a reheat option or toast option or something like that. And yeah, it's fire. It's better in the oven. Justin Wright, pineapple belongs on pizza, but black olives make you throw up. Hey, to each his own. I do not
agrees with me. Is shocking.
I do not put pineapples on pizza because I don't like to mix sweet stuff with carnivorous items, right? So I'm good. I don't like but I don't. I know, but I don't like that. Like I don't like honey barbecue. Like I like my honey barbecue wings.
Oh, the honey.
I put spice.
You tried honey barbecue and the pineapple, like the
or the
mango,
the
bro.
Barbecue. Oh, but again, you said spicy though, right?
Like, yeah, no, it's spicy honey and pepperoni.
Yeah, but I feel like pineapples and tomato sauce don't really cut it for me. Like I would never dip a pineapple in tomato sauce.
Well, who the hell would do that? That's weird. But it's different than with the cheese and the ham. There's a whole combination to it. But just pineapple and tomato sauce, that's gross. Who would do that? That's different. You built different if that's what you're doing. They don't count.
Are y'all hearing this shit? Are y'all hearing the nonsense that just came out this man's mouth?
Ask Jayhawk if he would dip pineapple into tomato sauce. Nobody does that.
First of all, you cannot diss the idea of dipping a pineapple in tomato sauce when you eat pineapples with tomato sauce on pizza.
Yeah, but it's different though. It's not like it. First off, it's not like
not the only two items, but it is those two. That's the combination that I don't like, though.
It's not like you're drenching the pineapples into the tomato sauce. So that's not how that works.
Just accept it, man.
I will not accept it.
Bro.
I will not. I will not accept that statement. That statement will not be accepted.
In the freaking in the next election, you're gonna be voting for Putin. Just admit it, bro.
Wait, but are you? Whose audacity are you talking about? Are you talking about be voting for Putin?
Yeah, I see you be voting for Putin. Oh my God, this market's about to come down. We're flexing on the tape right now. I'm about to try to short this too. I'm looking at the tape. I'm gonna short the tape is flexing right now. Jeez.
If I get up 6 points, I'm gonna look to add one.
I can't add. I'm in micros.
There's a lot of selling. That was a lot of selling. Of course, we don't get the follow through down here, though. We'll see.
Nah, they just flexing. They flexing their muscles.
Hey, man, come on, don't. You know you want to.
They loading for sure. They loading up here. It's 100% a load up. All right, let's check on chat here. Oh shoot. Well, I don't think pineapple belongs on pizza, but I do think it tastes good when it's there. What? That's just, I just can't do pineapple on pizza. Yeah, I can't do it. I swear, use one more big ass word. I gotta Google. What word did I use? Microwave pizza is carnivorous. You talk about yeah, you know what carnivorous is. Microwave pizza is gangster. Yeah, it is. It's delicious. We're short this market in the 50s, man. I'm short 56. It looks pretty good up here. The tape, it was a dead giveaway for me. This wasn't based off structure. This was based off the tape. So
yeah, I was looking at the tape as well. A lot of buying and a lot of selling. I'm hoping to just get some follow through here.
Yeah, I'm gonna deleverage in case we have that ridiculous candle that we had last time. This thing is, it looks like it want to sell off, but God, it's just so hard to sell off once the buyers get going.
Yeah, I think once I can I'm actually really like adding to positions here.
Oh yeah, it's really easy.
Short, because I can actually see
up about 13 points, but I think we come down much more aggressively. Looking at the tape, we've been trying to sell off all day, so I'm just gonna short 75375 and 75675 and let her rip.
Yeah, once I get up about 6 points, I'm gonna try to add another contract to my short and see if I can't get it all the way down.
We just gotta break the low. That's it. It's just can you break the low one time? Do something to make me feel good. Deleveraging here stops the break even. Can't lose on a trade, so let it do what it does. Stops behind the range at 750. So let it rip. Let it rip, boys and girls. All right. Big Cap J, fruit on pizza is a crime.
It depends on what fruit you're talking about.
Terrorists. I tell you, terrorists.
It depends on what fruit you're talking about.
You don't like teriyaki sauce? I don't. I do not like sweet
teriyaki sauce is also delicious.
I do not like sweet sauce on my carnivorous items.
But you like soy sauce though, correct?
Soy sauce isn't sweet.
Okay. So soy sauce, but no teriyaki. So no teriyaki chicken.
There's two totally different things.
I was just asking.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no. I don't eat teriyaki chicken, but I'll use teriyaki in like mix with soy sauce with other items. We might have called the top here, guys. We're short 56 on NQ. I'm sure it's already down 30 points here. We might have called the top on this thing, and if it drops, I'm just gonna let it drop. I'm pretty convinced that the market wants to sell off, so the market can do whatever it wants to do down here.
Yeah, we're getting kind of selly. I just don't want this to get absorbed right here. There's a lot of sellers right here. Just dump. Don't absorb right them. No, well, yeah, there's a lot of this
selling is too aggressive to come back.
Oh my god, look at this. No, I don't know. I'm going to break even because I don't trust this. Because look at this.
I'm already deleveraged by 10 points.
If we drop here, I'll add another contract.
I'm deleveraged. What the heck what was that? I right clicked. I did something wrong. I'm locking in $100 right there. Market can do whatever it wants. My job is done. K slayed this market all week, man. Fuck, man. Don't stop right there. Go back down.
Yeah, see, this was the problem. There's a huge seller that is just getting absorbed by a buyer.
No. We should take this guy out here.
I don't know.
We get him out of here, bro. We putting him underwater and we going back up or down, I should say. You can get some of this. Hey, you get some of this work too. Get long at 30-27. You come get some of this work too. We coming for your liquidity too. Come get this work.
There we go. That's what I wanted. That's what I needed.
Get long again while I'm short this market. We gonna come get that work too.
He said I'm.
Nah. Come back over here. And tell I'm getting long.
You might be okay. You might be okay, but we'll see. These sellers are
get long again. I dare you. I dare you get long. Get long. I dare you. Get long again while I'm in these shorts, bro. Like
there was a really strong. There was a. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it in this one contract because this contract goes, I'll be good.
Here's some profit. It's easy.
No. I'm thinking about adding to my position.
Oh, okay.
If we can break 80, I might add another contract, but I don't want to add.
If I wasn't in micros, I would add here 100%. But I would, bro. We're about to come down. Look at the 15 minute.
I just added right there.
You stealing them loans? Let's go. I said longs, huh? All right, man. You ain't looking at this tape.
All right, I added right there before we drop.
Lock it in 200 right there, guys. I ain't gonna play around with this market.
We gotta break this low. If we break this low right here, it's gonna be nasty. And then I only need to get here.
Not a bad area to get long, I'll say that. But we got about 3 minutes left in this 15-minute candle. If this candle comes down like I think it's about to come down, that long ain't gonna work out. But thanks for your liquidity. We appreciate you playing. We appreciate you showing up. Oh my god! All right, I'm locking in 250 right there. I'm not letting this thing go past 28, guys. That's it. That's all she getting out of me. Yep, here she go. Oh, that was trying to take my liquidity.
Hey, I'm going to break even.
No, man, stay down. I'm bringing my stops to 30 because I want to stay in this trade. I just looked at the 15-second, and I like the structure built on a 15-second. Let's go. Give me that liquidity, motherfucker. Let's go.
All right.
Thanks for playing.
I'm at break even. I added a contract, so my new average is at 82.75. So I'm up about 2 points, but I need this thing to really start to flush, or else it's probably going to take me out. So
yeah, my
kind of consolidate right here.
31. Just because that's the nearest range that I could find on the 15-second, and that's as much as I'm willing to give up. You know what? I'll put them at 34. Because 34, damn, I love this on Top Step. At 34, I can see exactly how much I'm up. And I'll be up 200 at 35. And that's the nearest structure. So 187.50, I'll be happy with that. risking the rest to try to get the rest of this move if we continue to the downside, which I think we're gonna do. So I'm gonna stay right here for a while. This is fun. I like Top Step X. If you guys haven't used it, man, definitely check them out. Definitely check them out.
Don't take me out. Get your ass down.
But yet he said the audacity. Exactly. When he said that joke about pineapples, cut the lawn, think we coming down. Yeah. No, he said that you said you don't like the dip. You would never dip your pineapples in tomato sauce. That don't make sense. That don't make sense. I said the audacity of this man.
That don't
Stephen A. Smith would be in the words of Stephen A. Smith.
How does that make any sense?
What level is VWAP at? Because I think we're gonna come back and retest it. Let me find it on NQ. Let me see.
How does that make any sense whatsoever? Who eats pineapple?
Okay,
who dips pineapple in their pizza?
Pineapples on my pizza, please. You ever heard the pineapple pizza song or whatever it is? The pineapple song?
No.
The pizza song. That's what it's called. The pizza song. Pizza. Oh wait, what my wife in here? Dre. Yeah, Dre dips apples in barbecue sauce. Yes, he's basically a terrorist as well.
Yeah, that I would not. That I would not.
My children eat weird. My daughter eats like you. My son eats
that I would
whatever.
not do.
Yeah,
I would not dip pineapple. I would not dip apples into
Thank you, Stores. This is what I was trying to say to him right here. This is what I was trying to say to him, Stores.
A pizza with pineapple is the same. It's not the same.
Is the same as pineapple and tomato sauce.
It's not the same. Yeah. It's not the same.
Slice agrees with you, but I disagree with both of y'all. I think both of y'all are incorrect.
I'm gonna tell you why it's not the same. Because
so is a hamburger pizza the same as a hamburger?
Huh?
Is a hamburger pizza the same as a hamburger?
Is a hamburger pizza?
Yeah, if you get one of those hamburger pizzas where they put hamburger cheese, they put hamburger meat on it, and you eat it with tomato sauce, that's the same as a pizza or not?
I feel like this is like an oxymoron. Like,
it's totally to trip you up. You really can't answer this right at all.
I feel like this is an oxymoron. Like, what am I supposed to do?
I feel like you're trying to trap me here.
This is definitely a trap. I don't like it because I don't know how to answer that question. To be 100% honest with you, I don't know what the right answer is. It's a pizza, but it's also a cheeseburger. But it don't have a bun.
If these sellers succeed in what they try to do right here, this thing's come on, absorb him.
He's got another sweep. I might have added at the right spot, but I'm hoping
or the wrong spot. One of the two.
Or the wrong spot. In which case, I'm just gonna get stopped out for $12. Let's. We haven't even looked at the stocks. Oh, the stocks are dumping though. Microsoft is dumping, Nvidia is dumping, Apple's trying to dump below VWAP now. Yeah, we might have caught the top.
Yeah, we might have just caught the top. That was an accident, but it wasn't accidental. I was just waiting for more. Ooh, we printing on these micros. Let there be micro printage.
All right, here we go.
We're up about 40 points on these micros. If we crack and close below this low, I'll move my stop to 26. I just want to see a nice closure here.
Yeah, the buyers are just not trying to give this up though.
Yeah, they fighting. How do I deleverage and take off contracts? Let me see.
You just hit the contract and then you hit buy or sell the same way you do anything else.
Oh, and then it updates on its own?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's the other good thing about here is that you know how you make that mistake where you got to take the orders off and then re-put the
Yes, that's what I was scared to do. Here. I was like,
no, over here it'll do it automatically for you.
Oh, that's fire. I just took 3 contracts off. Let's go. All right, I'm in two contracts left, I think. And I'm up 320 on these last 2. Yeah, I didn't. I was supposed to buy the market back.
You sold it?
Yeah, but I can't. It rejected the order. So.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I think.
I'm in the last 2. Yo, Top Step X is where it's at, bro. Like low key, that is such a key ad feature. I'm at 29 now with my stops. I took 3 contracts off. I'm probably gonna take the last one off too. Just take the last. Take one more off and then just leave one runner. Hey man, hey, you better get out the way, bro. Leave them loans alone, man. All right, I took one more contract off. I'm really, really loving the fact that I can just buy and sell the market, and the adjustments are done for me with the brackets.
Yeah.
Trading view.
That's what we needed.
Oh,
That's what we needed. That's what we needed. Good job. Good job.
Go. What was that you were saying? What was you saying, Hustle? About them loans?
We need to break that low though. We need to break this low.
It's like your mama used to say. It's like your mama used to say when you put your hand in a cookie jar. Stick your hand out.
Come on, sellers, break this low for me.
If we dump here, I'm gonna add on the retest of this area, guys. This consolidation is really nice.
Low. Dump. Oh my god, they just keep coming back up. These buyers don't have a quit. Just quit,
bro. It's Nvidia, bro.
Just quit.
All right, stop at 29.
Get out of here, man.
I really want to add here. But I don't want to go negative on the trade on some stupid stuff.
Oh my god, spaghetti dipped in ranch dressing, all these disgusting combos. It's disgusting.
Bro, what do you mean? You're basically eating fruit a fruit dipped in a vegetable.
That's not how it works though. You got cheese in between, you got the ham, like it's not the same.
So would you eat if okay, let's ask this. This will be the final question I have for Justin, guys. This is gonna end the entire I had to Google that, my bad, bro. This will end the entire conversation, right? Here it is right here. Justin, question, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Pineapples belong on pizza, right?
I believe so.
You believe pineapples belong on pizza, right?
Mm-hmm.
So would you eat a cheese pizza with just pineapples?
Yes.
What is wrong with you, man? You're a terrorist. Something's wrong with you. You just said. Wait. Now we got him, y'all. We got him right where we want him, right?
How you get me?
Wait a minute, Justin. Just wait. Now, you would eat a pineapple pizza with just cheese and sauce.
Yes.
But you wouldn't eat a pineapple dipped in tomato sauce?
No, because it's not the same.
How is it any different? You just said it's different because it comes with ham. I just took the ham off.
Yeah, but there's still a layer of cheese between it.
You would eat melted cheese wrapped up in a pineapple dipped in tomato sauce with some bread.
Yeah, with some bread. Look. Twice made a really good point. Twice says is dipping a pineapple in tomato sauce the same thing as dipping a pineapple in melted cheese? I think that combination sounds disgusting.
I'm confused.
Because basically he's saying like, so you take the bread away and either you're dipping the pineapple in the tomato sauce or you're dipping the pineapple. All
right, I reloaded my position right there, guys. I'm at break even, so I can't lose. But I thought that was a good area to add right there, right before we got that break. So all 5 contracts are back on, and I'm just risking the profits from the 1 micro. So I'm at break even and up $15. So what's up?
Hey, stories. I do love pineapples. I'm not gonna lie. My wife
I love pineapples too.
Oh, the dry pineapples. Oh my god, so delicious. Yeah. Hey, it reminds me of the Rick Ross song, "Diced Pineapples."
What?
You never heard "Diced Pineapples" by Rick Ross?
No, I have.
I gotta put you on now. See, now I gotta put you on. Yes.
I ain't never heard it, or either I've heard it and just didn't know that was the name of it, right? Yeah, that's probably.
The song he talks about diced pineapples.
Hold on, man. The wives are in here. We got to give them first priority. Sorry, guys. Whenever the wives text, we got to give them a priority.
Forget my wife right now. She over here trying to trigger me.
Please. Spaghetti dipped in ranch dressing. Hey, spaghetti dipped in ranch dressing fire. Don't fade it.
It's disgusting. That's gross.
This is the same man that is okay with onion seasoning, but not okay with tiny diced effing onions.
Yeah, them things are gross. Onion seasoning is straight. The powder is great, but the
girl, I get so triggered.
They be trying to trigger me, man. All right, we gotta be careful of this low on ES right here. This calls.
Oh no, look at 15 minutes, bro. We're in.
Oh, I know. I'm chilling. Trust me, I'm chilling.
From the beginning of this trade, I think we're up over 60 points, baby. We're up over 60 points. Let's go. Yeah, he's like, I don't know what y'all talking about, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this trade real quick and then print this money.
Yeah. I should have just taken this bitch with the. I mean, longs still look like they could come in. You can get 10 points on these longs, but we coming down.
You get your 10, but we coming down. Well, you can have your 10. Just as long as you know not to overstay your weapon. Yeah. Yeah. As long as you know that you playing against the squad right now, we coming for that ass. All traders get melted. Now remember, we got that structure at 696, ladies and gentlemen. So we could be coming to fill that structure and then bounce right back up. The Bulls are still in control until we get beneath the final queen. But we're holding this thing for now. I've already deleveraged twice. I took profit. I added to the position. And yeah, we're just trying to milk it for all it's worth, baby. Give me everything. Everything.
If we can break this low right here, then I think we'll have smooth sailing down to the low of day. I'll be out before then though, because I'll hit my profit target at 6-7. But
yeah, I'm trying to ride this thing down, baby. Get back down to 620. Get back down to 620. Look at that Biggs doing his thing, baby. Get that thing. Yeah. Nah, man, keep going long. We need your liquidity. We appreciate your business, bro. You are a good customer. You keep coming back. You just keep coming back. Long. All right, bet. Come on. We'll take it.
Hey, the Bulls are chilling at 70 hard. All hard. Dang.
Yeah, as long as I keep seeing these sellers eat up these buyers up here on this tape, I think I'm cool. If I see some aggressive selling in, once we get with low this low, I think we'll be fine because we haven't even started to get aggressive yet. Bro,
yeah, I'm trailing. I'm trailing too. I'm trailing as well.
Yeah, I'm out at 12 if we get up there, but I think we can keep coming down.
Yeah, I'm up. I don't even know where my original entry was. I'm up over 10. I'm up almost 10 points from my original entry, but then I added another contract. So,
come on, if we can just break this level right now, we can get to cooking.
I'm an easy eater, huh?
No, he traded. We literally entered at the same exact time, but on different instruments because we saw the same thing.
Yeah, there was a lot of selling and a lot of buying going on up there, but there was way more buying than selling, and we weren't getting rewarded. So I took it for one contract because I've been getting toasted taking two contracts, and I wanted to de-lower my risk a little bit. And then as soon as we got going, I was up about like 5-ish points. Or something.
Here we go. Here comes the cook session. Sorry, YouTube. No. Look at this trader. Look at this trader over here talking about drop, baby, drop. Yo, let's eat, shop family. Let's go.
Did NQ drop? Oh yeah, NQ's dropping right now.
Oh yeah, NQ's dropped below 7. We're trying to get below 700 right now. The
shop is today, that means ES is definitely gonna drop down. There it goes.
We've been short since 755.
There it goes. There goes it. There they blow. Okay. All right, now I'm securing $400 on this trade, so I can't lose more than I can't.
Bro, if you ain't having fun, if you're not having fun on your trading every single day,
come on,
you ain't doing the work, baby. You got to do the work so you feel comfortable, baby. That's what you call a recovery. Justin came out swinging today, baby. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah. Nope, this is one that I accidentally paid full price for. So this thing had to work. I gotta get this one funded. I made a mistake.
Nope.
That's why I went in with one mini. I was
I was down $560 in his account. I brought it all the way back to life. Now we green, baby. Let's go. On micros. Risk management, baby. And really, the only reason why I was red was because of all of the crap I was dealing with over here. I'm gonna take off 90% of my position here, fellas.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go ahead and deleverage.
Might,
oh no, I'm not. No, I just saw something on the tape. That's mine.
I saw it too. I was like, yeah, he's right. This might. And then I was like, oh, they still want lower.
No, they want lower.
I think
if we can break below this low, bro. We could go to 600.
I think they want 20. I think they want. I'm gonna secure one contract at 70 for sure because I think they want 70.
Let's go, baby. Let's print.
I really think they want 70.
We are up almost, what is this, 67 points on this trade? Let's go. Straight up kill count. Boom.
Let's see if this thing can continue to go down.
All right, I'm gonna take off 3 right here. Wait. I want to take off 3 so bad, but I don't think I need to. Oh, nope, give it to me. All right. Don't give it to me. I found myself thinking about it. Nope, give it to me. All right, down to 2 contracts. The rest are at break even. Market comes back up to 716. I'll be out of this trade, but freaking dog walked this trade, y'all. Dog walked it. We dog walked this trade. Absolutely dog walked it. Let's go.
Come on.
Careful down here, Jay. This is that low that I was telling you.
No, I know. This is
the gonna want to take some off. Take some off.
Oh no, I already have I'm about to get stopped out for profit here. I'm about to take away. There we go. All right, I got stopped out right there.
Let's go. I ain't giving nothing back. I'm squeezing this thing. Give me 04. Get me out at 04 or keep going down. I'm out. Let's go.
Yeah. I secured
straight kill count from swing high to swing low, baby. Let's go.
Yeah, I secured 431 on that trade.
Let's go.
Which I gotta see.
That's the area that I said that the longs you can come back in, right? And that's what we were talking about when I was talking about this level. I'll talk to the YouTube chat now, but we talked about this level right here. This was the area. Remember this red line that we put in a long time ago? And I said it could take a while for us to get here, right? And somebody was like, well, why you put it there instead of somewhere else? It's like, because I understand structure, right? Look, check it out. Oh, yeah, look at where price came to. We haven't got directly on that dot, but we got you in the area. And if I was going to draw a box, that box would be drawn right here, right? This is exactly where this box will be drawn, right here. Boop. All right. And you can see exactly what price does when we come there. We tap into the middle of that box, we go back up. And that's why I said this to me looks like a break and retest of VWAP, right? So we're breaking, for all the losers that like to play VWAP, right? We're breaking below VWAP, because I put it back on the screen. We're breaking below VWAP, and then we come back into structure 718, right? Which also sits at structure VWAP, right? 720-ish. And then people reshort 720 and then come down, right? Don't catch yourself being greedy. And that's why we were trailing. Everybody in here was doing responsible things. We were having fun and joking, but we were talking about the trade, right? Everything that we did was about structure. We all got in at around 55, 56, 54. That's basically the top. We put our stops behind the range, right? Risking a little bit more, but we understood that this could potentially flow down because we were reading the tape. Our first target was a break of the low. When we broke the low aggressively right here, there was no reason to sell. So what do? You bring your targets, you bring your take profits down a little further, or you sell. I sold 90% of my position right here. And then as soon as I spotted the selling on the tape, I added more full size right here, and all off down here. That is great trade management. It's good risk management, and it's good understanding of how the market is moving at the time. Theoretically, if you really think about it, we're actually counter trend trading right now because the market is in an uptrend, right? But we're counter trend trading, understanding structure. That structure is going to take us back down to the low. So instead of waiting on the market to come back down to the low, we short it to the low, understanding it will be a little bit of a choppy ride, right? We short to the low, we call out the area where price could reverse, so it's time to get out. Everybody's secure, everybody get tight. And that's how you trade as a community and as a shop. Everybody's individually doing whatever they want. Hell, Justin's trading ES, even with us. Not with us, he's not in the same instrument. But we're all supporting each other. We're all rooting for each other, and we're all educating each other at the same time. Right? After we get off the shop, after the trader shop is over, guess what? We're gonna go back to the Discord at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. We're gonna do a market review. We're gonna go over this trade, potential trades that we missed. We're gonna go over structure again for anybody that's missing it. We're going to do the work every single day. When that's done, everybody's going to break, go spend time with their families. Once everybody's settled down, guess what? We back in the market. Paper trading Bitcoin, potentially trading Tokyo session, looking at London session, looking at areas where price could potentially do overnight for those that like to trade overnight. I get up 2 a.m. I might take a trade at 9, 10 o'clock for Tokyo. I get up at 2 a.m. I trade the London session. I go back to sleep, come back in this boy, and Justin's ready to go. He's fully recharged. We got to get Justin an extra few hours because, you know, he'd be insomniac or whatever, right? But yeah, but that felt good, man. The shop this week has been awesome. Awesome. It's been an awesome time this week. We've been doing nothing but throwing out bangers every single day. And it's not like we're doing it because it's magic. We're doing it because we worked hard for this S, right? Every single day we in this lab putting in work. You cannot get better as a trader if you don't do the work. Shout out to my man Pippi in the building. He says, "Good job, guys." Thanks, brother. Don't worry about it, bro. We done.
Oh,
with
I
this.
don't care.
We done with this joint, bro.
We just touched the POC. So I think we might shift right back down. I wasn't about to hold that. Well, now it looks like buyers might
be careful
want to take back over.
Be careful because let me look at the 1 minute. Oh yeah, it looks like we could be getting ready to short again, but I would if to get long, I would need to see a break of 724 and then a retest of this area just to confirm. Yeah, that's why I said like originally like I would be looking for shorts because in order for me to entertain the longs, we would need to get above this high right here. But I need this. Oh, you've been extremely patient, brother. He said, "I'm so proud of myself, man. Let's go." Yo, let's go, man. I'm loving it, dog. I'm loving it, man. Like that's the one thing that I'm most proud of about my trading is the patience as well. No, you're good, brother. What's up? Yep, it's comfort. It's that accountability, right? You like, damn. Yeah. Nah, yeah, and that. What you doing? That's not how we do. That's not how we train. That's not how we gonna fight. It's accountability, exactly, and that's what a community does, right? And you know, when as the core community gets stronger, and we start to bring in beginners or people who don't have as much knowledge, it's going to make it easier for them to grow as well because one, we're welcoming them, opening them with open arms. You know what I mean? Like we're coming into the Discord and we're allowing them to speak. We're allowing them to, you know, whatever. We're helping them grow, but not babying them, just helping them grow. If you refuse to do the work around me, you're going to get called out. There's no ifs, ands, and buts about it. Ask anybody who know me, right? Who's ever dealt with me, and they'll tell you, my children, you know what I mean? Like maybe not my wife. She's about the only one. You know what I mean? But for the most part, I don't mind calling people out, right? I'm not going to diss you. I'm not going to play you. I'm not going to talk to you like you're a child. But I am going to let you know, if you're trying to make this money and you being lazy, you're in the wrong industry. You might as well go back, work for wherever it is you was trying to work for, go back to that career. Because if you don't put the work in this career, just like any other career, right? Whether it be, you know, a baker, you know what I mean? Like a business owner, you know what I mean? An X-ray tech, a construction worker, whatever it is. If you don't put that work in, you ain't never gonna make it. You gotta put the work in. And what a community does is holds you accountable for that work. Right? And that's what it's about. So good job, fam. Good job in here, y'all. Up 2,200 on the day, cross 3 accounts, first day back green. Let's go, fam. Let's go. Hold on. Let me throw this up right here. Yeah, that'll work. I think that's it. Nope, wrong button.
He read that from the Discord, by the way, just in case y'all are wondering where he got that from.
Oh yeah, thank you. Sorry,
that was really random. I knew where
I was reading the Discord chat, man. Somebody said they up 2,200 across 3 accounts, which means they up like $6,000 on a day. Let's get it. Shay got my back. I got you, boo. What y'all talking about? Y'all having a whole conversation that ain't nobody talking about right now.
Shay said she ain't triggering you. You're triggering her with your indecisive. But I'm not indecisive. I'm actually very decisive. I know what I like. I know what I don't like. So my indecisiveness is not. It's very decisive, actually. I think I'm an easy person, to be honest with you.
And then shout out to Pippi. He says, I got smacked early this morning around like 5 or 6 this morning trying to catch the low, read the market wrong, but just made it back and more on a CL trade. Good job, Pippi. Good job, man. We dropped the horns for that. Looks like we're about to come down again, guys. If you're looking to get long, be careful. The tape looks like it wants more downside, like a lot more. Sliding stop to 737. Good job, brother. As long as we stay under 727, I'm comfortable. Dope. Yeah, mine was 730, but I started to squeeze some more profit out. It looks like 730 would have never got tapped. So 727 looks really good, even on the tape too, Micaiah. 727 is where they got all of that liquidity, but it's block liquidity. So the market will start to act like a magnet and go up to that liquidity. So you're right. As long as we stay under 27, I think you're good. Nvidia changed the character down 5-minute flush. This is the same man that is okay with. I said that dipping pineapple and tomato sauce is the same thing as dipping pineapples in. You said that one. Yeah, okay. The man loves pineapples. I know he does, bro. He does.
Pineapples are great.
But yet he says gross. Justin gets it. I like TP at 688. Yeah, TP was good. 688 I think is really good. I think low of day is probably where this is going. I mean 60 points is enough, man. Like next time I'll put some real size on. Now that I understand Top Step X's platform, I'm good. I'm over here cooking for a grown toddler. Y'all crazy, man. You better leave Justin alone.
I'm easy. I don't understand what the problem is. You don't gotta do much.
He's like Pop-Tarts, pineapples, baby. That's it.
Now, I'm not actually a big fan of Pop-Tarts, but
oh my god. Moving on. She ain't trigger you trigger. Okay. I cut 690. Was okay. You sure right here, 702? You sure 08? Oh, beautiful short at 08, man. That's great. You can put your stop up there at 15 potentially, or just start moving it down now. You're already in profit. This thing is looking like it wants to absorb.
I'm kind of long. I'm long biased down here, but if we break this low, then I won't be. But
oh no, you're not looking at NQ's tape right now, though.
Did NQ already break the low? Oh, no, it didn't.
No, it hasn't broke the low, but look at the tape. You see that block liquidity at 2750? And then you see the fact that every time we come down or every time buyers step in, we keep absorbing them. No, you know what? Actually, I didn't look to the left here on the tape. This actually looks good for longs down here.
Yeah, I like longs down here on ES as well.
Yeah. If you guys can see on the tape, this is where all those buyers came into the market right here.
Ooh, maybe not.
That's why Justin's looking for longs, but see that aggressive selling right there? That's not what you want to see. Damn. Hustle, you got a hold, baby. You got a hold there. You go to break even and just hold it. That was a kill count. Ooh.
Yeah, we just broke that low. So nope, no more shorts for me.
He said, no more shorts for me. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is going to be it for the Trader Shop, man. This was an absolute blast, as usual. Love hanging out with you guys. Love having a little bit of fun. And at the same time, giving education and trading these markets. We had a really great day today. Looking to just try to keep it up. Stay consistent, right? Get back on the charts. I'm going to go take a nap. You can see I've been up since 2 a.m. I'm tired. Justin, you got anything?
Nope. See you guys tomorrow.
All right, man. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Trader Shop. That guy over there is Jay Seals. My name is T. Hobbs. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button. Turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. Hope you guys have a great day trading. Don't give all your money back, and we'll catch you on the next one, man. Peace.
This door makes me. Oh wait, did you hit the end stream button?
I did. It's just loading. It actually, when you rewatch it, I rewatched the stream a couple of times. When we hit the end stream button, as soon as you hit end,
it ends it automatically.
Yeah, it just looks like it's having trouble connecting.
Wait, maybe